1 second. 1 second. 1 second. There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the stream again. TzRzetHz here, live on a Monday morning. I don't know what's going on with my chart right here. Lit. Let's see. Remove all the analysis. There we go. Yo, what's up, guys? YouTube is open now. Tight, Mason. Good morning, man.
I think you have to change the thumbnail. I'm not sure, but it pulled
Oh,
up
yeah.
with the...
So I have to do that. Yeah, that's right. I'll just do it random one. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. What's going on here? I hear myself double. London here, live, trading live. Just had a little bit of an issue with the Zoom again. What? Details, thumbnail. Got this. There we go. There we go. To YouTube. Get some music on in the background. Sound. There we go. Perfect. Let's go. Oof. Pushing.
Back. New week. More pips.
Oh man, shit's flying. We're coming up to some sort of resistance now soon. Yeah, Frank. Go. It's go to WhatsApp and see what's happening to that thing. Look, it's flying.
You how many? Like up like 300%?
No,
400?
1000%.
1,000.
Yeah, man.
What the?
Look, it's flying.
Post some out.
This is 30 minutes. No, I'm waiting till I'm waiting for like 500% more. Yeah, no joke. I'm not joking, no joke. Waiting for like 500% more and then continue moving up from there. Continue starting to close from there. See, mirror this clean candle here to the left. Very nicely. Finally left this zone. Perfect. We're coming up to this new one. Ooh, 7 o'clock got some good buys if you took it from the top right here. But the range wasn't that bad, that big.
Yeah, but no bottom weight.
Oh yeah, I see. Damn. I think what I want to see up. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Now Najim had some good entries. I think the best entries was also the ones Raja took, like to an Asian.
Yeah. I would like to see price start retracing, create a support, and then just take buys. To be honest. Make a support above 780, and then continue moving further up. Would be perfect, I think. Morning, Peter. Desire, please help. I need to get my money out of my stats. I'm getting hacked left and right. Yeah, I got no idea what that is, man. No idea. The only thing I know is that this one is flying. I even called this coin out to you guys. No joke. If you go back to like the 27th or the 28th of April, I called this coin out. It's on 1,000% if you got in. Called it out. I'm not gonna say the name again, but I called it out. You should know. And like Seba. When you say that 0.3 is going an hour to the left. Ooh, Big Mac, happy birthday, man.
I can put the link in Slack, I think. Or did
Oh,
you?
really? No. Oh, wait, the second link, yeah. Invite, copy invitation, I'll put this one in. People be waiting. You're already in here. There you go. Seba, like button check. You know the vibe. Yeah. I'm waiting for this one to start pulling back. I'm expecting this candle to be the top wick for this one. And then start turning, flipping, and then start creating a support where we can start buying from, and then target this first level and then target second level at 150, 166, and then like 128. That's going to be my plan. It's just the only thing I have to do now is wait for the setup to form and then just take the entry. So how was your weekend, guys? Man like Frank.
Yeah, it was good. And you?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good, but Capital Hungry Savage. Man, did you watch it, Frank?
No, not yet. I mean, that's like for a time of boredom and just like nothing else like better to do.
I was in there for a couple minutes, but that just damn, son, crazy, like crazy. I was insane.
Not going to,
guys.
Yeah, not going to say too much about it.
You're not going to learn much. I mean, it's just like just for fun. And
Oh, that stream from the weekend?
Yeah, just
it's a funny one.
Yeah, it's funny, but you know.
Yeah, I can't talk much about that here.
Yeah, it's
a predicament.
Yep.
It's a delicate situation.
Very delicate.
It's not our place.
It's not. Yeah, it's not. It's definitely not. That was just bullshit. I know I can do it a lot faster than this, but
I think it's going to be interesting to see where the 1 hour closes on GJ.
Ooh, the weekly did. It's maybe gonna fill that top wick on gold and then come back down maybe. It is at this level right now. $7 gold had some nice buys as well, based on that 4-hour time frame. The 1 hour close bullish could have bought here at 34. Target would have been 36.6. Even continued up further.
How's Italy, Master P? Sorry.
Hey, good. It's nice weather here.
Nice.
Cool. How long were you there for?
About a month, 3 weeks, something like that.
Nice. You what? It's like you rented a place or staying with families?
No, with family.
Cool.
This afternoon, I'll show you guys some beautiful views.
Nice.
Where are you exactly? I mean, if
I'll be in Abruzzo.
That Italian accent thing.
Who are you right now?
Wait, what?
No, I meant Master P.
Oh, I'm in Italy.
Ah, nice, nice. Lucky you.
Yeah, I went to visit some family.
There you go.
How are you, Nick?
Oh yes, I was man let Nick.
Good man. Just woke up not too long ago, so
Nice.
yeah, the charts.
You know the vibe.
Nick is doing really good today. You're in buys from Asia session.
Yeah, I had a buy in Asian, and then I left a buy stop for the top of the range that got activated.
Mm.
Very nice.
Yeah, I watched Wolf of Wall Street and now he's booming.
Yeah, man's calling. Damn. There's still some people from the stream inside that roast thing too. Yeah, not a roast, but just exposed thing.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
gotta watch that.
Yeah, definitely, man. It was really funny. If you've got some spare time, get some popcorn and go watch that thing.
Oh, somebody
Man
just
did
struck
some-
gold.
Oh. Man did some full-on technical and fundamental analysis on
Yeah, man. Like no joke.
yeah.
It's Capital Hungry or something like that, right?
hmm
All right, done deal. I'll check it out.
What was I
Savage.
gonna say? Yeah, it was pretty cool seeing some people that come to this stream over there.
Yeah.
It's like just a family.
Wait, so is it just at the beginning he starts going off? Or
No, the entire
No,
fucking
it's the
thing.
full thing.
It's the full thing.
All right, let me put it on real quick. Check this out.
It's the entire thing where man just gets hammered. Like hammered. Amjad put his hand up. Go ahead, man. No?
We have to calm down because the comments are starting to.
Yeah.
Wait, is it the massacre of Daniel Savage?
Mhm. Yeah, it's that one, the most recent one.
All right, let me check this out.
Master Pete,
Uh-huh.
have you seen the thing on WhatsApp?
Oh, yeah, man. Crazy. How much did you put down? It was like 15, 20, I think.
No, 50.
50. Oh, damn. 10x.
But I said it like the 27th or the 28th of April. I called it live on the stream. Buy
Yeah, I
this,
remember.
and now you're up 1,000% over your original investment. So
Mhm.
if you bought it, should be good. Your leg was a dodgy coin, to be honest with you, though, but it worked out. Risk it for the biscuit. While holding, it'll double.
Nice, nice.
I said that from the beginning. At like 750 or 1,000, I'm gonna take it out.
hmm That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm just questioning myself how many people unsubscribe to that signal service. But I'm questioning myself right now. Oh yeah, this is looking good on GTA. Price coming down. The good part is that 1 hour is still gonna close bullish. Hopefully. I'm gonna be looking for buys soon. I want this one to come down towards like 780 or 800, form a support there, and then start going further up. Even if this one closes bearish and the next one just closes above, perfect situation, and then just continue moving up to 165. My bias is right now just bullish, even though we're coming up to this weekly zone here to the left at 22. That's going to be my break-even trigger. Daily zone here, 36. This is going to be the break-even trigger for me. If I get in this trade, it's going to be my break-even level. Or even before already. Good morning, man. And then leave the rest running further up. Yo, Augustus, have you seen what it did overnight?
Yeah, man, magical.
Flying.
Magical.
I was like, there's nothing to lose for me right now, you know. So I was like, let's see what it's gonna do overnight. And
yeah, like you sweet. Amazing, man. Amazing. Like out of what? 50?
Yeah, man.
Man made like literally 500%.
No, more.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm lying. Yeah.
It's 1,000.
Yeah. Well, let's say nine-ish.
Yeah, around that. A lot.
Oh, that's a lot. That is huge, man.
I called it live on the stream. Like I said, like
yeah, you did. Yeah.
So if you listen and bought it, even if you put only like a small amount in, you got big money now.
Yeah, 100%.
That's the thing about those coins.
But the thing is, it's just like pump and dump on them ones.
Yeah. That's why I'm waiting for this certain amount to be hit, and then I'm gonna dump it. Like we're at a strong level now, so I'm expecting price to just start retracing now towards maybe all the way back towards like 350 now, and then after that I'm expecting it to fly again one more time or two more times, and then I'm gonna be out. I want to see like 750 hit, so another like 220 bucks or a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take everything out.
Well, I'm expecting to do GG give me a trade in London.
Yeah, man, me too. Yeah, I'm waiting for price to create a support now above that previous resistance, and then we're just gonna take a buy. And
to be honest, they might come back into the range again, into sort of 700 levels, to make that deeper retest in a sort of like a pre-London.
Yeah, I wouldn't really mind.
Well, everyone's expecting that lower wick on a 4-hour, right? Like on my MetaTrader, I have that like just a tiny bit, but it's still the way that we pushed, the deeper support we create. I think that's gonna be even better.
True.
So we can push into 153. But the way the GJ done it over the night, I was like, okay. Let's come back to winter Asian moves.
Yeah, man.
Because in winter it used to do that exactly same thing. But I'm happy that we starting to see more volume coming into the market. But then I'm thinking the same thing. Probably maybe it's interest rates that is doing this, following the Friday news. Oh no, it's no. Sorry, Thursday was interest rates. I'm lying to you. Sorry. Anywho, GG came out of the range. That's the most important thing.
Exactly. I was looking at that too. If you look at the, I think, what time frame was it? The daily, ugly 4-hour was big. Yeah, look at this range.
Yeah, I had that whole 151 up until 152 as a no trade range for me.
Yeah.
I mean, if we retrace on a 4-hour, because we got potential to retrace on a 4-hour.
Yeah, with the lower wick.
Well, not even that. I mean, to 400 levels. 152, 400 on the 4 hours.
Yeah.
Because, to be honest, we pushed quite a lot. And this 4 hour just went straight off the bat to the upside.
Yeah, but it makes sense because we've been ranging, to be honest. So, based on that higher time frames. So it makes sense for price to just start rallying now for a second.
No, it's true.
But if I see support formed and a high break broken or something like that, a nice support form, I'm definitely going to take a buy up towards 950 and continue up towards 40 and 72, 172.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
100%.
The 4-hour doesn't have a bottom wick, but like in this instance, because there's such a clear range, and we've seen a lot of volume, that I wouldn't actually be bothered so much about it. Like
No, 100%.
it's always better to have the bottom wick on the 4 hour. But if we start seeing like clear market structure on the 1 hour and lower time frames, that it's not going to come down, I mean, no need to think that it's going to make that bottom wedge, because it probably won't.
I'm just trying to look how could have caught that this move right now. And
Maybe on the 4 hour closed with a stop loss on the hourly, but then you have resistance right ahead. So
yeah, I'm just trying, to mitigate the ideas, but it's just like the range is not good enough. On the 30-minute, we closed below the resistance. There's so many things.
On gold, I'm waiting for price breakout above buys. No. Go. Buys above. After support gets created, and sells below.
Yeah, that what I'm looking for in GJ is at least a support to be formed, like a 15-minute, like the best would be so bottom wick on the 1 hour, a 15-minute bullish on like 770 for it to target that top wick on this 1 hour. Like you said, pretty much Luke. But for that, yeah, I just need like you said, a support to be formed at least with a 15-minute bullish.
Yep.
Morning.
Good morning, man.
Good morning.
hey, Dennis.
Let's see.
Okay. Yeah.
Good, and you?
Okay. I've got a GJ buy just now, and right it block.
Can you send me a chart?
Sure.
Next, for the people that are in the Zoom, I want people to, before they're gonna call out anything, just show a chart, because people are randomly gonna follow everyone by saying I'm in the buy or I'm in the sell. So I want to first see someone sending in a chart, and then you're gonna call out whenever you're in or whatever. I think it's very important, because you see some people inside the Zoom that are just calling out I'm gonna buy, sell, not to go ham on you or anything, but next time for everyone in the Zoom, make sure you just first send in the chart or whatever, and ask me to look at your chart before before you're gonna call out that you're inside the trade, because then people are gonna understand why you're in, because there's people randomly just clicking the button because you said you're in a buy, like no joke. But let me take a look at your chart, why you're in.
Sure.
There we go. I don't like to go ham on you, but it's just to make sure that no one just randomly. Yeah, I saw this one too. It's a pretty good entry, man. Savage. Broke the high. This is your chart, right? Yo, Dennis.
Yep.
This is your chart.
No, it's not me. Would you wait a while? I will just add some text to my chart so you could have a better understanding of it.
Okay.
Why I took it, because I already closed it just now. Okay.
Okay. Hey, Space Joe, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Yeah, BW, it's the truth though, because there are some people that are just blindly following. So, and I don't want that to happen, even though it's not my fault. I don't want that to happen anyways.
Hey Luke.
Hey man, how are you, bro?
Can you take a look at my chart?
Yeah, sure, man. Where is it? There we go. Gonna do it real quick because it's nearly Frankfurt open. Ooh, nice chart, man. Potential buy is about 39, so but yeah, looking at the same thing. Makes sense, this target based on the 30-minute. Yeah, very nice chart. I'm looking at the exact same thing. Looks very, very, very good. What do you want to see once it breaks out? They're there. No man's a goner.
Sorry, man.
What do you want to see
sorry, man.
for a breakout? Like a breakout and a retest, or just a close above or below?
I'm gonna wait it close above and maybe a wick down. Then I'm gonna go in.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense.
Just learning from. Thanks for everything.
Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. Always welcome. Yeah, I like the fact that this 30 minutes closing bearish, so we can soon start seeing a retrace. Let me put my march on real quick. The 2 minutes left for London Open. Man's putting in his charger. There we go. What's the song called? Yeah, I'll put that in a second. It's only 55 seconds left for Frankfurt Open, so we're gonna see what happens right there. Ooh, it's the line. Yeah, this is gonna be the first target for buys soon. 1 hour closing, very good to be honest with you, but I need to wait for that 30-minute support to form before I'm gonna take buys. Yeah, I think gold looks pretty good too to continue moving at least the first target, 43, the high that I made. But I don't think it's gonna keep going up. It might retrace down towards, you know, that 815, 820 level, maybe right here to 821 after the small push further up. So let's see. There we go. New open. Gold exactly closed up, like just below the zone. 30-minute close bearish on GJ. Now, for some people, this might be a nice opportunity, but I want to see this support created based on the 30-minute time frame for me to continue moving up. Even though on the 15 it looks very, very clean.
But there's not enough range. Look, you know,
Yeah.
if you're looking at a sort of because a lot of people look differently in terms of resistance. So I look at the candles because there's the candles where it closed. So your resistance is literally like 5 pips away.
Exactly, that's the thing.
So, and
That's
you know
why-
you haven't closed yet.
What would be perfect for me right now is if this candle just respects the low, or even retests this, retests 775, and then closes above at 893, and 93, yeah, and then the first break-even trigger straight away is gonna be this wick, because I want this wick to break and not to be respected. That's a very important wick right here.
100%.
Like you said, I think the retest around 770, that's like a nice thing. Because like you said, if it breaks this high in the 15 minutes, it could go up, but the stop loss has no structure. I mean, the wick is like 5 pips away or something like that, so it doesn't make sense for it.
Yep.
Now a bit more like 7 pips, but still that's not enough.
Look, I have just sent my chart.
Yes. Perfect. 1 second. Oh damn, this 30-minute is flying already. Already surpassed the full previous 30-minute candle.
No FOMO, guys.
Oh, definitely
No.
not.
100%.
It's Monday, man. Monday. Gotta chill out. Want to start your week off with a good trade? Into it.
In this situation, I would say at least wait for 15-minute close.
At least, yeah, at least. Good. Yeah, or close like 75% and leave the rest running a little bit further up.
Yeah,
If that goes out at break even, it is what it is, right?
yeah. I still need to practice like what you said here.
Okay.
Good.
That's good, man. But it looks good. Took a good buy. Possibly once it broke these highs. Very nice, very nice.
Thanks.
Good job.
Thank you. Also, do check your Instagram. I have DM you about something we talked about on Friday.
Okay, yeah, perfect. I'll look after the stream.
You know, because it's your private stuff. So.
Oh yeah,
DM me, so.
yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, I'll look after the stream, no problem.
Okay.
I hope it's helping. Know what you're talking about. Is it helping or what?
Sorry?
Is it helping or what?
No, it's something you taught me on Friday and you challenged me to do it.
Oh really? Yeah, I know what.
I
Yeah,
mean,
that's what I'm talking about. Is it helping? What's going on?
It's
Just say yes or no.
It's, but, yeah,
it's hard, right? It's really hard.
Yeah, it's hard. It's very hard. I do admit it's draining. It's very hard. Very, very, very hard. 1 minute feels like a very long time.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. And it sounds, that's what I said, it sounds so easy, but it's not. Definitely not. It's one of the hardest things.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I've actually been implementing that every night and morning, 10 minutes of just nothing, thinking of nothing.
Man's just calling it out.
Well, I don't know if you're allowed to say it.
No,
But-
just say that, but the rest
Yeah,
is
I'll leave it at that.
classified.
Okay, it's a concept.
It's a concept.
Yeah.
Well, concept, and it's maybe soon I'll explain it to you guys as well what I do, but it sounds very simple. So, but it helps so much, like trust in your psychology and everything. It's gonna make change. It's gonna make a lot of change, and it might maybe it's so secret, yeah, man. Maybe I'll soon say it to you guys too. Maybe I'll soon say it to you guys too.
But it really changed something.
No, it's
I don't
different.
know how to explain it, but it really changed something. Yeah.
Not meditation. Not meditation.
It's eating
Much harder.
10 eggs a day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yo, today I had 2 hard-boiled eggs actually this morning.
Man's doing a healthy
It's a
thing.
good start, master.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Man's doing a
actually
healthy
feeling
thing.
pretty. Yeah, my stomach's feeling pretty full. Like,
Very good, man. Very, very good. Good to hear.
Go have that breakfast, you know, the champion breakfast before trade. I think if we break above 960, it's a potential.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close though, because I want to have that structured entry on a Monday.
It's for sure.
For sure. Because if this closes, it's a perfect situation for me, man. It's a very, very, very nice situation. I have my stops at 800 and then expect price to just continue moving up.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Guys,
It is what it is.
But like the gym.
Took those buys in Asia, right?
Yeah,
Well done, man. Well
I
done.
have a video on YouTube that explained about.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
guys.
really? Okay. I have a look.
Yeah.
I like the gym. The gym FX. Man's got
Jimmy's
that.
bossy.
Man's got that 112 subscribers. Let me.
Soon gonna be more than you, Luke.
Yeah, soon it will be more than me.
Had an analysis about gold and GJ.
Guys, I put a link in the chat of Najim's channel. Check that out. He's a very, very good trader. And if you just give a subscribe to that, that would be awesome. Yeah, it's in the channel, guys. I see a lot of people already trying to ask for it.
Thank you, thank you.
No problem, man. He's what he be. delicate situation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, on gold, I do want to see a breakout with a retest of 39. I'm not gonna take it straight away once it breaks out because it's a bit of a delicate area right here. I want to see that break and retest before I'm gonna take them buys further up based on GJ. It's gonna be just waiting for this one to form above this resistance and close and then just take a buy. I do want
If
to
15
see.
closes above the structure of 900, I think that's a minimal good indication for the further push up.
100%. Well, but I wouldn't take that with full risk.
No,
I wouldn't take that. I would
But
take
you
the other one with just my normal risk. But the other one, like if it closes 15 closes above 960, then I'm gonna use half risk.
Yeah, you wanna breaking above 960.
Yeah.
And what's your guys' thought on 153 flat? Because personally, I'm thinking I'd rather wait for buys above that, like seeing a candle break above and then maybe a weak body bearish one, and then the next one break the high. And then you got like a 30 pip range of clean traffic.
No, I don't really mind, to be honest. These candles went through. There is some consolidation, but this is in the past. This one just went through without any regret. So, what I would probably do if I get in, just have my break-even trigger there.
Yeah.
So if it touches and it comes back down and starts respecting that level, I already said like this level 38 is going to be my break-even trigger. It's about to break up right here. And then if that breaks, if it breaks, if it respects, then if it comes back to break even, I'm just out, because I don't want things to be respected. Zero respect. Are you guys worried about the daily, weekly resistance? Yeah, this is the exact level what I just said. This is going to be the break even trigger. If this respects, then I'm out. Like right here, see, this is level is exactly on that point. It's going to be the break even trigger. Go ahead.
Would you say, Frank?
No, go ahead. Go ahead, sorry. You were...
No. I was just sort of anticipating if this 15 starts breaking now, I'm not getting in. I'll just try to wait for the closures.
For me, yeah, I'm probably not going to take. I'm not taking this trade. For me, it's just like the 1 hour structure doesn't look good enough. It's just for me, I want to start like Monday with an A+ setup, and this is no A+ setup in my rules.
Makes sense, man. Makes sense. For me, it's going to be based on the 30 close, but right now on the 30 close, your stop loss is going to be around 17, 18 pips. So I'm going to wait for. What I want to see maybe on this 15 is this 15 just close above here, next one close below, and then the next one to, still respect the previous low. Continue moving up.
For me, yeah, if the 30-minute closes now above 153, like it looks better, but still it starts.
I just wanted a deeper pullback.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, it makes sense. Ooh, he's pushing. Yeah, man.
On GJ, on like you put a line there on 039. What's that line?
Here, daily wicks.
Oh.
But the daily bodies. Good morning.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
But it's nice.
Almost my TP.
TP. Man's already.
Like 16 pips here. Still.
Nice.
And we trying to buy just now.
Man, that's always the situation with Najim.
Apart from bottom week, once we close above that zone, I got it. You know my interest.
There's still a random Magic Keys giveaway this week. I'm trying to find Ingrid right now.
Oh yeah, I gotta track them down.
Yeah, I'm trying to track her down, but
Oh, it's her.
Yeah, if you don't find, there's a substitute, the guy that you called out in the beginning.
yeah, true. Yeah, I'll find it. It's no issue, but it's gonna take a little. Put it on 20. There you go. It's perfect size. That's what she said. Wait, what?
We put also the name of the winner of this Magic Keys.
Yeah,
they come in.
it's a good one. Move. What is it? Yeah, perfect. I think the anchor text is the one that's gonna go with. Yes, perfect. Make it blue.
I just discovered about that anchor text this morning, and it's so nice, man. I have
Yeah.
at the top right at like my checklist that every trade needs to match, so I don't forget. It's very nice.
I think it was this is how it's spelled. But I have a little lower like this. Perfect. Perfect. Nixon, let's take a look at your chart on gold. Oh, I'm just 3 charts. Relax.
Yeah, the fact that it already broke the 1 minute and the 1 hour top wick in the first 15 minutes, that's just like.
Yeah, I don't really mind because doesn't move all straight away, right? This 15 closed right here, so it's good for the people that already want to take a buy up, but I'm just gonna wait for the 30 because it's just a little bit stronger. I mean, it can move now, but I wouldn't really mind. There we go. Looking for bias breakup. Yeah, it makes sense, man. I got the same thing, waiting for the same thing. Very good. I'll look at your GJ chart as well. There we go. Ooh. A retest of this area plus. Yeah, it makes sense. Should continue moving. At least this 30-minute close is bullish. Then you should be Gucci, man. Julius Bushin, don't forget to like the stream. Real value on this stream. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, man. Like what he said, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe. We're trying to hit 7,000 this week. 7,000 subscribers.
Yes, and 10,000 this month, guys.
Yep. I've seen Ingrid, I think, a couple times on this stream, so just gonna wait and then get in contact. Hey, look, are you in the GJ? But no, I'm waiting for a 30-minute candle to close above 900, but it's a little bit far up right now, so I'm waiting. And I'm gold. I'm waiting for this candle to just break and close above and do a retest.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be the best of both worlds if this candle closes above 153, like this 30-minute. With a wick in the first half, like the first 15-minute closes weak bearish, and then the next one breaks that high. Because also above 133, 153, we can start filling the monthly wick, which is about 40 pips away at 153 400. So that might be something that's gonna happen. Knowing GJ probably today in New York.
Should be good. Should be Gucci. What's your level for GJ buys? Yeah, it's above 900, but what I want to see right now is because it already moved up. I want to see price come down a little bit and then take a buy maybe based on the 30-minute, but 30-minute has to close better than this, like a little bit lower. It's too high right now. Even though it's good, looks good, you know, but for me I wanted to close around like 925, around that level. Yeah, man, like Edwin. Michael. Yes, sending good chart, but this one is just random. The previous competition was based on the competition, so the best charts, and this one is just gonna be randomly given away to someone. So just be here. Don't know what day of the week it's gonna be. It's just gonna be a random giveaway to someone. Might have rejection at 153. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, Josh, I wanted to have everyone a chance, like what I explained on my Instagram. There is only like 75 people in total in the competition. So, and there's, most of the time we got like 400 people watching, so there's 330 people that don't have a chance to win. So, giving all the other people a chance now. You hit your TP, right?
Not yet.
Bonfire to the moon, yeah, man. I think it's gonna retrace now, maybe to 400. Yeah, it's going down a little bit now. And then push further up. It's at a hard level right now. It's at like 10. So this could be a level where we're gonna like 9.2 right now. So this might be a level where price just
I think it's going to touch the weekly resistance.
Yeah. But
And if we break above close, we got that continuation.
Yeah, exactly. About that bonfire thing, I think it's going to pull back now, and after that it's going to break 10 and then just go to like 13, 14, 15. And if it goes to that level, I'm going to be out. Not out, I'm going to take like 90, 95% off. What happened with Daniel Savage? You gotta look for yourself, man. Go on YouTube.
He had a ticket to my... He had a ticket to the paradise.
Straight to the gulag. Are you in, Augustus?
Sorry?
You in?
Wise? No.
Oh, okay.
It's, I can see the volume slightly, relaxing. Yeah. So I just rather wait.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, just to wait for that weekly break.
Bye, Sag. Are you a recused student? The way you do your charts is so similar and so much better than the rest of the live sessions. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm a recused student. Everyone asks me. Yeah, man. That was a savage stream. Savage stream. Didn't even know what to think about it, but it was insane. Yeah, he got ripped apart. No joke.
He was watching that.
Yeah, and who was the other one? The
JP and his sister. His partners.
Man, shit.
So yeah.
Dude, you know how much that guy charges for a mentorship?
Who?
JP?
Yeah.
$12,000.
No way.
For 1 month. For 1 month.
1 month.
30 days.
What?
30 days, man.
Are people paying that? Are you mad?
Well, I don't know if people
people will pay. People they want money now. That's why they're paying that much.
12,000 for 1 month. Not even for a year. Not even for 5 years.
Not even for
10 years. I mean.
Raja's been charging us. He charged us 500 euros once, and we've got like well, probably can't talk too much about that, but so much value. And this guy's like 12,000.
12,000, and he can't even trade. Well, at least that's what I heard. I'm not trying to.
Got no results.
I'm not trying to, start something right here. But that's at least what I heard.
Probably.
61.8. My level got me weak. Yeah. Okay. Let's end about this. Let's go back to trading because that's not none of our business right here.
It's
No,
just
zero
some
of our
fun
business.
banter. True. But yeah, I think my mentorship's gonna be some 20,000 a month. I think it's gonna be pretty fair.
I think that's cheap too. I think that's cheap still.
Yeah, cheap, man.
Yeah. Mine is gonna be like 30.
And Jim's gonna be 100k a month.
No,
Well,
we're just gonna help.
I'm
people
asking
that-
for 1 Bitcoin. That's nothing. I mean, just like one. I mean, there's so many in the world.
If you asked me like 10 years ago, it would have been perfect. I would have said yes straight away. Oh man, that's crazy. People are mad, People are mad.
30 minutes is about to close. Oh yeah, 5 minutes. Let's push.
Jim, you're in full margin.
No, I just have small runner there.
Nice. 30 minutes about to close. In 5 minutes, I wanted to pull back.
Yeah, I mean, if you look on the hourly, that 153, 050 is like a rejection area from there and up to here. So if we leave that zone, it's a good way for us to come into the 153, 300.
Exactly. I don't want it to close this high though, for me. It's not good.
If it does, it does. We should have been probably earlier than in the trade.
Yeah. It is what it is. It's a Monday.
It's what it is.
You don't have to be in anything. People need to understand that.
Yeah, 100%. If it doesn't match your plan or what you want to see,
Exactly.
no trader.
Don't force the trade to be in it, Don't force to be inside it.
I mean, when I seen GJ start pushing above 152, 700, I was like, okay, my fingers start getting tickled by buys, but I was like, nah, let me relax. I just literally woke up.
Man, like Nick. Shit. Let me get this thing out there for a second. Oh shit.
What, did you read my one or something?
No, I read the one of Nick. Go in the Zoom chat. When he said,
I missed that one.
Oh, it's easy to find, man. It's easy to look what he says. Scroll up. I'm not gonna scroll up again. Too much.
Bro, I can't even find it. Like as I'm going along trying to find all these people and that. I was looking at FX Cynthia, I don't see it.
Wait, let me find it. I think I have it.
Nick is going ham on it, mate.
It's here.
Bro, this is pure entertainment.
I'll put the name in. No, I'm not gonna put the name in the good luck. I'll put the. Oh shit! I'll put the.
In the WhatsApp.
Yeah. Let me go on WhatsApp.
I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind getting some signals from her if you know what I mean.
Relax, man.
It is what it is.
Yeah, but that's what everyone says, Mr. J. So. Here you go, Nick. Go ahead. Man, let Nick after them.
Oh, spelling it wrong. All right.
Yeah, it's very delicate.
Nice.
Shit, look at TJ.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's going up. But it's like delicate situation.
Yeah, so this is perfect
Yeah.
if the next, because the price pushed quite far up, that we can't really take a buy right now. So it's going to be a good idea if the next 15-minute closes like weak bearish and breaks the high. I think there's going to be a really good idea to head off like to 153, 300.
Yeah, probably.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Man, I closed one of my positions when it closed with no wick and started going bearish, but should just left it. That's what it is though.
We actually have the 4-hour support now, so just be, you know, relaxing.
It's a weekly, not just 4 hours.
Yeah.
It's a daily,
weekly as well,
weekly.
Yeah, it's very strong support. Yeah.
It's everything.
Resistance.
You know the thing. Yo, why this story less? Yeah, I can't say that here. Next level. It's next level. Come on, guys, hit that like button. Get them likes up to the moon.
Match that TP, come on. 6 pips away, 5 pips.
My man. Don't let the
I don't know if I'm closing 4 or just leave that.
Oh damn! I'm so. Oh, dude.
Hello.
Yo, what's up, man? You good, bro?
Great, man. Man, does G provide mentorship?
What do you say?
Do G provide mentorship?
Do you
Oh,
provide
don't
mentorship? Soon, man. At the
Yeah,
end of the well, it's first gonna be community, and I'm gonna give a lot of feedback on you, so it's gonna be pretty much the same, like a coaching thing. But that's gonna be at the end of this month. So then I'm gonna open it. 30-minute candle close, bullish on GJ. It's a very big candle right now, so you gotta be careful. Jan says,
Oh, nice.
you could have, but for me there was no trade. The G is like, nice.
Gold is
Dude.
going down below, man.
Down below. My man, Najib. I'm waiting, what are you waiting for on gold, Najib?
I'm in sales.
Oh, I thought you were in buys.
I am in sales, but very, very, very small position.
Okay,
You know,
my man.
it's very risky. There is only one confirmation for me there, which is not candles.
Mm.
I don't recommend to do that, but it's going good for now. I have my entry at 1838 to 210.
Nice. Second.
Nice.
Mm.
So it's about now 24 pips.
Can you explain a little bit where you bought on GJ?
Yeah. You go to I had the strongest zone there. It was a 3-month candle. It's a resistance, right? Go to 3 months.
Oh, I don't think he
I
has.
can't. No, I can't go there. I can't go there.
You can't?
No.
Why not? Go get it.
Hey, look.
Yeah, go up, go all the way down. Where is
Can't.
the minutes? No,
Or
no.
just
can't.
type on the chat
Yeah.
3M.
I think
But-
you need membership.
You
for
need
that, man.
membership for that.
No, listen. Go do all the way
What?
down. Where is the minutes?
Once,
Go
and
to
then
monthly
3.
and 3.
Add.
Add.
See?
Oh,
See?
come on, man! You got to pay. What is
Why?
going on?
Why? This is good enough. I don't need no.
Okay, so in the
Random
3
time
month
frames.
in the 3-month candle resistance, we had a very, very strong zone there. You know,
Okay.
and we were struggling to break that. As soon as the 2-hour closed above that zone, and the next 2-hour came to that zone, retested, took the buys right there. I explained it that on YouTube charts for DJ. Because I was looking only at the monthly, so I started looking at the 3-month candle too.
Very nice, man. Very, very nice.
Wow, GJ.
GG is flying.
Let's see, GG. Oh, GJ hit TP and keep going. Nice.
Nice.
It's okay. It's gonna create a target for us anyway to trade in.
That's the thing.
So
People are like,
that-
"Oh, it already moved now. I'm too late." I'm like, "No. You're not too late."
So there's the
Gonna come.
thing that this weekly zone, like 1 hour at least closing above will be good. Like, you know, or 2 hour kind of will be good for to continue up.
Very nice. A quick Instagram thing. Got music back on. Hey Nigel, look at my GBP APY trade. Sure, man. Let me take a look. Don't spam that much though. Gold is still sitting at the 36.40 level. There we go. Take a look. Next time, pull this out a little bit more. But very nice, man. Guys have to break and retest. I don't know about FIP levels, but very nice. Very nice. Good job. Man, can I hustle to secure position on GJ? Wish I got that magic keys. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think if you're a scalper and you really trade like us, and you want to trade like us, for real, magic keys is needed. Magic keys is definitely needed. If you trade on your phone, it's all gonna be a mess. On the computer, might work a little bit better, but at the end of the day, you just need that magic keys to really get that management point. Not just risk management, but it's general management on point. Take a look at this chart. I think this is the wrong chart, to be honest, but let's take a look. You need just that entire management on point for you to be good in scalping. Otherwise, you're going to be lacking hard. 132, 30. Yeah, that makes sense, man. Makes sense continuing that trend. I think you could already buy once this candle closes right there and expect price to retest the high and continue moving further up. But don't know about the ranges. But it looks pretty good. Target is around a good amount of pips, so very good. The only thing you have to do on GJ right now is just wait for price to come down and create a support and then continue moving up and retest this high. Like Augustus just said, price is just making that target for you right now. And the good thing is it passed that 153 flat level. Yeah, for gold, it's just absolutely going to be outside of this range for me. Some red folder news on the pound tomorrow. There's some good news on Wednesday on the pound. Euro bank holiday for Germany and France. Yeah, news is pretty okay for this week. Next week, let's see what next week is going to bring. Retail sales Tuesday. CPI Wednesday. It's going to be pretty good. What's up, man? Yo, Najib.
Oh no, I was watching something here. It's crazy.
Nobody on Zoom with you, Luke. Yeah, there's 55 people in the Zoom. So there's people in the Zoom, but most of them are not talking. That's okay.
Look at GJ filled at the monthly wick.
Yeah. Saw it. Oh man, those direct messages are annoying. Got a couple
Man,
charts
Nick is
in. Let's
going
see that in a
mad
sec.
on Instagram.
What's he doing? Yeah, oh, he's
Just gotta have a little Pikachu. Mad. This guy. Oh, Nick.
oh man. Can't put this on him, but I know what this guy is probably doing right now. First win is 11 pips on GJ. Time to have a nap. Later, man. See you, man. GJ pushing numbers right here. Want it to come down, create support, and then retest this high. Could be good.
Luke.
Hey, man.
Yeah, I've got a question.
Go on, ask it.
Like you know that GJ trade what I took earlier. I know what you said, just close maybe 75%, but or 50% maybe. But whenever I want to do that, my mind just like if I close it and then it goes the opposite way, and I hit my break even, I will not like take my profits 1%. I will just get like 0.5 or like
yeah,
0.
but it is what it is then. It is what it is. You gotta accept that, man. Those runners are only there for you to first gain more confidence in your setups, and second of all, it is to leverage some of those profits. And if it goes back down, it goes back down. It is what it is. So that's. I would just suggest you to start maybe with 10% runners of your position. Just close 90% of the position and leave the rest running, and then you know you're starting to gain confidence, and over time you can start using bigger runners and leveraging those profits with a lot of pips.
Yeah, I think what you suggest, I will use it next time. 90% close is good. Just leave 10% running. Yeah.
Yeah, and then over time, once you start succeeding in that, you can just start leaving more run.
Because I've tried a few times to let my runners run, but I always get that mind like if it goes back, I will not take 1% profit, and then yeah, I will just like use 10% like what you said earlier. Thanks.
Okay, no problem, man. No problem, dude. Yeah, maybe give a little bit more room than David.
Yeah.
No, I was not talking. I was talking to some other guy in the YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, but same thing for you. Just for your stops at break even. If your first target, take out 90% and just leave 10% running.
Yeah, I will do that next time. Yeah, it should be good.
Yeah, Najim took that sell on gold and he's up like 20 pips now. Very good.
Jim's a legend.
Yeah, man.
He took everything.
He's a savage.
Yeah.
Gold, I'm like about 32 pips.
Nice. 32 already. Damn. Savage.
Yeah.
Legend.
Very small position, very risky what I did there.
It is what it is, right?
Yeah. Because actually I was looking for buys. I'm just writing it down where I wanted to take buys.
Nice.
Then be looking for buys.
Oh, your mic is really laggy.
My mic?
Yeah, your microphone.
Oh.
This entire move just moved like 50 pips. Look at this. 46 pips. Crazy. Mad. I'm gonna wait for that retrace and then have a good 10 pip stop and then choo, retest that high. I'm curious to see what's gonna happen on London Open. Just gonna pull price back down or whatever. It should be good though. If we come back down to retest that high based on structure. Look at GJ, just on the move, not stopping. But it's good. It's as expected. Broke out of that strong zone. Now I can expect it to just be flying. I see 287 people in here. We good? Yeah, man. 100%. Definitely good. GJ got spread. Oh man. I'll take a look. I think I don't have a lot of spread. No, I don't have. I only have like a 0.30 pip spread. It's low. It's really low. Very small spread. The last time I saw a 1 hour candle being 50 pips without news, it was a long time ago. Yeah, that was a very long time ago, Leo. That's the truth right there. It was a long time ago where you saw a 1 hour candle that moved 50 pips without any other confirmations. You see some other big ones, but maybe here. Yeah, this one is 50 pips too, but might all because of news or whatever. This one is all without. It's pretty good. Look at that move. I'm expecting a retrace real soon. What I want to see based on this 1 hour maybe and 30 minute is just a retest of this level and then continue moving back up towards this level. Now the range is created for us. Now we can wait for support and retest that high inside this range that's forming right now. Yeah, I don't mind if it touches this resistance and comes back down. What I'm gonna be looking for is this move again. Mirror this move again. Up. So first come down and then back up. Based on gold, I'm really waiting for buys above or sells below. I mean, you could definitely trade inside this range. Want to be a little bit more careful inside because there's already been a lot of movement right here. The levels all over the place, so want to be a little bit more careful with that. But finally, the good thing is, guys, GJ is moving. GJ is on the move. She's not ranging anymore. Waiting for breakouts or whatever. Just trending right now, so the only thing you have to do is follow the trend, wait for support to form, and you know, start creating that higher high again. The only thing you have to do. You use trending as well. Price close without a top wick though. Oh, G. I think G see some good things lately. I mean, once GG moves, you can definitely get some good amount of pips out of it. The only bummer about this candle right here is that it closed without a wick. For all the people that wanted to take something. I don't know what's there to the left. Yeah, clean traffic. That's the only bummer for you guys, but it is what it is, right? Here's some. This is flying. I had buys on this one at €1 exactly, but I removed them. Took me it took all way too long.
Is that Cardano?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up buy
What-
some.
What is that? Look.
It's a coin,
Oh,
cryptocurrency.
It's flying.
Yeah.
Because Ethereum is flying.
Bonfire is coming back down right now, but that's all good. I was expecting it to come down, then come back up later. The good thing is that it showed now what it can do. So it's gonna be a big retrace right now. Like the last time it did, it also did a big retrace and then continue moving back up again. Are you break even on gold or not, Najim?
no, I'm still in profit.
I think maybe you could see some bullish momentum coming back up on gold if this 15 closes bullish and then retest this high.
Yeah. It's possible, but no.
Your mic is really laggy.
If it comes to my entry now, I'll probably close.
Okay, yeah.
I don't want to play with gold.
But your your entry is at like 1830 at something, right, Najib?
My entry?
Yeah.
What
You
about
said
my
before.
entry?
You said before on like on 1838, right?
I can't hear you. What you said?
It's
Sorry,
really hard to hear.
Okay. Do you hear what I say now?
Yes.
Yes. I mean, like your entry, what you said earlier is on like 1838 something, right? On gold.
Yeah, it's not based on candles. It was based on the moving average, 50 moving average in the weekly.
Okay.
You guys are lagging both very hard.
I think you have a problem with your internet, Luke.
No man, stream is perfect. Stream
Right?
is,
Oh.
Yeah, everything is perfect. AUD/USD analysis. Let's take a look. I think gold's gonna move back up soon. That's gonna be, I think, on the way it's forming right now. And if you look on the 1 hour time frame, this could be the low for this current 1 hour. Buys above, sells below. Good, a little bit of an L right here, I think. Okay. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense, man. You're trying to mirror this move down below or mirror a move to the left side that's clean. Looks pretty good, man. Very nice. Makes a lot of sense. You're now in that small box and you're trying to get out of that small box by a breakout or whatever. So you should be good. Yeah, I'll do that real quick. Let me go to this. There you go. There you go.
Thing from the WhatsApp.
Yeah. I'm gonna reply in the chat. But I can't hear anything of that because I don't have my sound on. Do you have this sound on or not?
Yeah, I have my sound and I can.
Yeah, sure. If he says something, just say it. Otherwise, I have like 10 different things at the same time on.
Yeah.
Yeah, this range is pretty nasty though, but this move right here is pretty good. So if you start creating maybe some sort of a support and see rejection, maybe expect price to move it back up to 39 and then later on fill the wicks to the left towards 43. But that's more, a little bit more of a risky trade, you know. It's not that risk free or anything. Oh my god. Oh, CO man. Is he in buys, Master P?
Oh, I don't know. Who would? I don't think he calls out his entries.
No, I don't know. I don't see any charts, nothing. I do see this chart. Pretty good, man. I don't understand the risk reward thing right here, though. That's the only thing I'm questioning myself right now, but based on...
It is what it is.
I think your stop loss was bigger than your actual target itself. I think you need to look into that. Because over in the longer term, and like on the long term, that's gonna hurt you, man. Trust, it's gonna hurt you. Come on, guys! Don't forget to like the stream. We got more than 300 people, like in the Zoom as well. Get them up to 200. You know the vibe. Click that thing. Just a small gesture of telling you like it. It's free education right here.
Yeah, I think maybe London might do some kind of retracement. Then the hour after London can form a support to retest the high. We've seen that quite a bit.
Yeah, you see that also on London sometimes, that the opposite's gonna happen. Gonna be interesting. It's gonna only be 3 minutes and 30 seconds for London Open, so let's see what's gonna happen. Just a waiting game right now. Just a waiting game. Please tell me something about gold. Well, gold's in this range right now, and I'm waiting for price to break out. Or either I have a very weak 30-minute candle right here, but the only problem right now is that that 1 hour candle is closing bearish. So I don't want to take a buy on a gold and a bearish 1 hour candle. So if I take any position on gold, I do want to see that 1 hour candle moving with me. So it's a bit delicate on gold right now. And it's still going to make that lower wick probably, so it's taking a buy based on a 15-minute candle is a little bit dangerous, you know. It's not the smartest thing to do. So what you for if you want to be sure and you want to be in a position where you're not going to get slipped, like not slipped by price, but literally slipped, then you should wait for price to just close above or close below here. I think that's going to be the best situation for gold if you want to trade gold. Phoenix, Rent Helens, my GJ trade. Let's take a look at your chart real quick.
Man, Ratchet probably is 100 pips now, nearly.
Yeah, probably.
With 25 lots.
Oh, damn.
Nick is already 100 pips, I think.
Nick is savage, you know.
Ooh, I like this that you marked
Get
this
the
up.
bundle.
Good markup, man. Let this chart. And Giorgio, let's take a look at your chart too. Took a buy once it broke the high. Very good, man. Very good. Good option. If you were a little bit more risky on a Monday, you could have taken this trade. For me, it was a bit too risky to take, so I'll just say it out. But for the people that wanted to take a little bit of a risk, this was a very little bit of a more risk than normal. Very good trade. Very nice. See, London Open is about to happen in 20 seconds. I think stuff's gonna move.
1 hour is going to retest that weekly in the DJ that is closing above. And
50, you mean 153 or 50?
153, 130.
Someone says
that's the resistance of weekly.
Robin Hoagland, I think there's a sell on GJ. I think you need to watch out. Yeah, it's probably going down, but you gotta be careful, man. The trend is bullish. Look at the trend. Make your trend your friend. Don't go against the trend, man. If you go against the trend, there's gonna be times that you're gonna be punished for it very hard.
I mean, maybe you could have took that sell, but I mean, no top wick.
Yeah.
Not doing it for me.
No, for me not. Yeah. If I ever wanted to take sells, it's exactly what you said. It had to have a top wick before going down.
I mean, like we said, this, like already pushed like in the first 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't. No, you want a top wick, and after maybe you can take sales once it breaks the low of the previous 50-minute low.
Exactly. Right.
GG is above the weekly now, so we expect some push.
No, true, of course. I mean, everything's bullish for now. It's just like short-term sales because we did go and touch that resistance and reject it a bit. So you could have maybe expected next 1 hour to come and do a pullback if you got good signs in the lower time frames.
Master P, did you hear anything already or nothing?
No, not that I know. He's kind of left for the past 5 minutes.
Oh damn! It's London Open. You should be here right now.
Yeah. Oh, he's back.
Back. Guys, oh my god. There's no missing out. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Everyone trades a different style. GJ trade Askai. Let's take a look, man. There we go. Yes, good option, good option. What I said before, lots of people took this trade. If you're a little bit more risky on a Monday, this was a very good option to take. For me, it wasn't an option. I wanted to see more structure for him. Well, I was going to take a buy.
It's coming
yes.
down.
Yes, Albano, I'm looking for a support form on GJ. And then take a buy to retest this high at 153.300. So I want this candle to come down towards all these levels maybe, and create a support on top of these levels and then come back up towards that level.
and after, because the weekly or even the monthly, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, the monthly wick is just a little bit above at 153,400. You could expect it to also fill the first 1 hour wick and after go and fill the monthly. So like you said, wait for the support, and after you add like 2 TPs and 2 potential targets to get hit.
Yeah, you want those targets to form, and then you can target these targets, and it's going to be really easy for you, to be honest. It's going to be really, really easy for you. The thing is that people see a move like this happen, and the first thing that comes in their mind is like, oh, we're missing out. No, you're not missing out. You gotta first of all, if you
got to relax.
Yeah, you gotta relax. First of all, most of the time when people miss out, it's not their setup, so you didn't miss out anyways. And second of all, price is gonna create you a target to retest again, and that retest is gonna be easier than the breakout trade itself.
The problem with most people is that they see this huge bullish move and they're like, oh, where can I sell? Where can I sell? Let's sell, guys.
Yeah, true. You see some people do that too. I mean, it makes sense for price to start going down, but it doesn't make sense to sell in a bullish market, right?
No,
you're gonna get
like
hammered.
You said, I mean, trend is your friend. I mean, why would you want to take sells for short term if you can just wait and take better buys just after?
Exactly, and what Marco said, the most important thing is to protect your capital. If you see that move and don't enter, it's the most important that you don't have FOMO. And second of all, it's the Monday, so it's the first day of the week, and you don't want to start your week in, you know, a bad vibe. You want that good vibe, you know. And most of the times, people are like, "Oh, we're missing out," or price is moving, you know, and it isn't even their own setup. What I said before, so why are you even stressing, you know? No reason for you to think that way. Put that timpani beat on, you know the vibe. Yeah. What would be perfect situation, what's not gonna happen probably on GJ, is wait for that support to form on 152,900. But I'm expecting it to form between this zone, 950 and 40 maybe. So UK oil, no, I got no idea, man. Already 100 pips, I think. Yeah, I don't even know what type of risky trading, so gotta, you know, show some more information. What time frame do you take your most trades? 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. Sometimes on 15s, but that's on gold, and 5 minutes, but that's all on gold. On GJ, I take mostly all of my trades on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is my time frame in the 1 hour. Sometimes even on the 4 hour I take a trade, but that's not a lot. How do I join your Zoom call? Can't. Soon, at the end of this month, I'm gonna open the community. Yeah, Stefan, makes a lot of sense, but at the end of the day, it's still a bullish market. So, and if price has been ranging on the higher time frames for such a long time, and it's breaking out, then there's also a chance that these levels are going to be broken and you're going to go even further up. So, you want to see first the bullish structure break before you're going to see any sells coming up. That's what I always suggest. If I want to see my buys being turned, I want to see the structure being broken. Yeah, man, I'll let you, definitely let you guys know, no worries. But it hasn't broke out of the daily range. It doesn't matter, man. Just the only thing you have to do is wait and see.
Ooh, Raja's in the Slack.
Really?
Whoa, GG tap it. Yeah. I'm dimensions.
Exactly. People are trying to fight and trend. Whoa, your mic is bad right now.
It is what it is.
Exactly. Raku says it too, right here in the Slack. Don't fight the trend. Come on, guys.
I just know that Raquel is Raja.
Maybe he's gonna join. Just wait. Maybe he's gonna join. Oh.
Gold is looking beautiful. Keep going. Don't go back.
Yeah, gold's running pretty well for you right now.
For 42 pips. 44.
What's your retest strategy on GJ? Do you take an aggressive entry or do you wait for the first green candle? Yeah, probably wait for the first green candle or a high to be broken. If I see structure form, the only thing I want to see, what I said before, I want to see that structure form. So I want to see this is a new higher high. Let's put it into a little bit of a perspective right here. If you look here, the trend started forming from this bottom. So let's see if I can put text in. Here, we got the low. This is the low. Here, we got the high. Right there. Here we got, oh. Here we got the high low. Right here. Oh, why is it? I'm pressing the wrong thing. You've got the high. Right here. Immediately nearly clicked the same one again. Here it formed a new higher low. Now this could be the high right here. But for now, because the trend isn't broken yet, it's still a higher high. So what you're looking at for right now, you're looking for that higher low to be formed, to retest, annotate.
It's the best YouTuber video ever.
And you're looking for this level to form, and then this higher high, a higher low, and then you're gonna expect price to retest this level right here, and maybe even continue moving further up. Or it's gonna retest this level and come back down, break this structure right here, and come back all the way to this level to create a new support to retest this high on the higher time frames again. Like there's a couple time frames where all of this is happening, so you gotta make sure when to expect certain things to happen. Because on the daily or weekly, we could still, if I can draw it on, we could still, this could be the first higher high, and then the second, the first higher low could be right here. But on the lower time frames, you already see that higher high, higher low structure forming. Now it still needs to form on the higher time frames. There you go. A little bit of an explanation right there.
If price come back
that
and
on right
close
here.
below, if price come back and close below that weekly in 1 hour, get it out of my trades
Okay.
because I'm
Just
still holding that.
Just to add a little point of view for me, I think we just created a little liquidity zone or whatever you guys want to call it, between 770 and like 560. So if we tap into there, we should like use that to keep pushing up. Just an opinion though, or what I'd be looking for the rest of the week. Like taps into there and before we take back off.
Yeah, it makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
But yeah, overall, a pretty good London session. I was trying to work on letting my trades breathe, but still ended up closing a little bit too early. But
Yeah, still, you make profit, right? Make profit on a Monday.
yeah,
So-
that's true.
That's the best thing. I mean, there's many people taking L's on a Monday because being too aggressive or whatever. Gold's now inside this range and just want to be outside it for me to take anything. Even though it's like a 90 pip range.
My stop at being old.
Is it just me, or can I hear you that bad?
It's still lagging?
Yeah, now it's good.
Oh, it's
Now it's
good.
good. But a second before it was lagging.
Wow. Know what's going on?
What company platform do you use? You gotta be a little bit more precise with that question. Like a broker, or if it's a broker, I use IC Markets or Dominion Markets, one of the two. One of those two are the best ones.
I took EU sell. The
Let's
chart
take a
is
look.
on the Zoom chat.
Let's take a look at your chart.
Yeah.
Oh, it makes sense out of
this
this range. I saw a chart like this before.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
price broke this week and then goes down.
Okay, nice
Was
man.
just try to buy.
Yeah.
Very good. J-Vlog, come on, they're gonna like, yeah, getting them likes up, guys, come on. Get them to the next level. Just a small gesture, you know.
Raja went back to sleep.
Yeah. Let's see what he said.
Okay, yes, I saw that.
I got woken up by Daniel Savage messaging me on how garbage I am.
Really? You said that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back to bed.
64 likes. No, it's 186.
What?
7 likes.
He was talking bad about Raja?
Yeah.
Yeah, go and look at Raja.
Why?
Raja's stories.
Raja has nothing to do with that.
Apparently his magic keys doesn't work well, you know, and he nearly blew his account. And I'm thinking,
Which is
so how much
bullshit.
you risking if you nearly blew your account, man?
Yeah.
Oh, damn signal, man.
People are mad.
Come
Okay.
on,
I
man.
mean,
What
I
kind
don't
of
want to get
excuses
involved in
is that?
this.
Me too.
But,
We're not getting involved in any type of way.
like-
right
Yeah,
now.
let's stop this because
It was
not
fun.
fair.
the way
Talking
that
about
Jeevan
what
said everything is just point blank. Like,
We're just talking
Yeah.
about what
We don't
happened.
have to say anything anymore. It's all said.
yeah,
It's all
Yeah,
been said.
yeah, exactly. It's just what happened.
Guys,
we
if
got
you
no
want
reason
some,
to get involved.
But
Yep.
it is what it is.
No, it's not none of our
Oh.
business.
Scroll up in the London chat. Look at what the man himself was saying.
Oh yeah, we got
Fly
another
to
guy.
Miami and toilet paper is.
No, a
What?
little bit above that. Or in
Wait,
the
where?
WhatsApp.
Master is annoying gaze, man. It's really
The things that go on with that guy. If you're in the WhatsApp, I posted it there.
Man, like crap.
I think what kills him in the market is that ego that he's having on himself, that chip on the
Yeah.
shoulder, and that, you know, that
I
is
used-
wrong.
I used to
Man's
hold.
never wrong.
I used to hold the trades, you know, and that's not a good idea. But now I just know where to get out if I was wrong, even if the trend turns around and goes in my direction. I don't care.
It is what it is, right?
Yeah.
We're crushing numbers right here.
yeah, what it's doing on GJ, if it closes bearish this 15, you want to wait for the next 15 to then break the previous 15-minute high, for
Yeah.
then to retest the resistance, to fill the so TP1, if very conservative resistance on the 15, after TP2 would be the wick fill, and TP3 would be weekly wick.
Yeah, I do think so. The 100.
Hey guys,
Hey.
But I don't think it's gonna go any lower, to be honest with you. So it's gonna stay the same for a very long time. But based on GJ, I'm looking this candle closed without a top wick. And if this kind of breaks the low, we're gonna just go further down towards like 960. That's gonna be the place I want to see that support being created. 900, 960. And then continue moving back up to retest the high.
Anyone catch any buys? I missed the whole thing.
No,
Yeah, we all did.
I've
We
got
all,
good news and bad
waited.
news.
What's the bad news?
The bad news is that I will probably be late to the London sessions now because I've got another job at an insurance company.
Congratulations, man. Good job.
Yeah, well done, man.
Well done.
Nice.
Yes.
What
So I'll
was
be
the good
starting
news?
next Monday.
Oh, nice. nice.
That's the good news.
Oh. But you didn't have a job, or what was the situation?
I just found another job to do with finance.
But it's good that you can do the London sessions and then.
Yeah. So the thing is, I'll be trading at work at
Oh
London
shit! Oh, that's
on my
allowed.
laptop. Yeah.
You had
Pretty
that-
chill place.
Nice, man. Nice. Very good. Very, very good. Should be good, right?
Yeah, should be good.
You
Not
do
something
like
that works.
Insurance sales.
Man's the salesman here. Oh, broke the low. It's coming down probably now. The probability of this 30-minute candle closing bearish is getting higher and higher because this one closed without a top wick. Next one broke the low. Just all pointing out bearish for bearish close, and then looking for that bullish close again to have that
Yeah,
perfect,
that's really good.
perfect retest at the high.
And the beautiful thing here is that that high is also where the hourly flips bullish, so that's a nice confluence as well. for that to
Exactly.
happen.
Exactly.
It's got no top wick.
Exactly.
And we can see the same thing again. Pre-London pushed up, and London is just retracing back.
Yeah,
And
you
so
see it. You see it so many times. Like Augustus, like
Mhm.
you see so many times. Pre-London is always gonna be the the opposite situation of London itself. London itself is always gonna.
Yeah.
There's like a 80% chance of London going actually the other way.
Yeah, so what I tend to see is like if pre-London, the 70 a.m. candle doesn't have any movement at all, the London session is going to have a different direction in regards to the 9 a.m. candle open move. That's what I tend to see.
Well,
That you like what?
Yeah, I'm not sure the timing, what it matches up, but like usually 1 or 2 o'clock my time, if you see a support, being as a uptrend or resistance and a downtrend being formed, you can usually count on the open volume to push it, maybe not all the way, but at least enough to give you 15 pips or more.
Mhm.
Yeah.
this thing is going to return around from here.
Yeah, I'm completely out, so whatever happens, happens.
It is what it is, right?
Yeah, I just wanna get a trade, man.
Yeah, just have to wait for this 15 to close, and after on the next one you could, like you said, if there's not that much volume, wait for a bullish one, or otherwise I would take it if it breaks the high of this 15 minutes. That would already be enough.
And how would you determine if there's enough volume to take the...
No, but if it's not breaking the high, then I would still take it at the 15-minute close bullish.
Oh, okay.
But if it starts moving pretty fast, I would take it immediately without the 15-minute close once it breaks the high.
Okay, makes sense.
Makayo Mutoni. Take a look at NJ. I think the markets are closed for that pair, right?
NJ is having New Zealand
Yeah.
JPY.
So
Yeah,
market
it's
closed, right? Yeah. Doesn't make any sense to trade that when both markets are closed, man. You need one, at least you need one of those markets to be open for you to.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Gee.
He's lagging really hard with his mic. You hear that too, right, Master?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
Hello, look. What do you think
Know
about
what's
the buy?
going on.
Let's surpass those 200 likes, guys. Press that button. We're on 199. Press that thing. No tip top wick at all. Yeah, but at the end of the day, if you see a 30-minute candle close right now bearish, the probability of it making a top wick is getting lower and lower. And
But keep in mind, it's a 2-hour candle to break and close above that weekly. So 2 hour has time.
yeah,
Stay
true,
to
true.
push.
Yeah, what I'm waiting for is just a deeper retrace and then 30-minute candle with this, or 50-minute high get broken on a bullish 50-minute, and then just get in and see what happens. It's easy as that.
Yeah, I mean, you have to follow your plan, you know.
Exactly. Bonfire just had that deep retrace. Just did it. Like a deep retrace. It went from 92 to 6.2. Oh shit.
Sheesh, that's like 30%.
Yeah. I was expecting that retrace, so I wasn't minding.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I talked about it.
But it's good that it did the
5-minute
retrace.
closing is interesting on GJ.
Oh yeah. But there's not enough range for anyone that wants to take this. But look at the top, there's 300, it's 200 already. So you at least want to see like 20 pips, 15, 20 pips. What other altcoins are you in? A couple, not much. But I'm not focused on that in any way. I already reacted to that, the 100. I think it's going to say the same. Can you do analysis on USD JPY? It looks similar as GBP JPY. I don't think so, because the markets are both closed for those pairs, man. Markets are closed. If the markets are closed for a pair, you don't trade them. Look for open pairs like the Euro, GBP, and some other ones. Doesn't make sense to start trading pairs where both markets are closed. Then the probability of volume is so low.
Bro, speaking about like probabilities and volume, Raj has been killing it lately with the Asian, like letting trades run from Asian on, bro.
Yeah,
I saw that. It's
and
crazy.
I'm trying to do the same thing, but I'm already still like brainwashed for this like 10-15 pip thing. So it took everything to let this one run.
Yeah.
But let's see what happens the rest of the week though. As long as GJ's not like a messy range from like last week.
Check out my chart, please. Now let's take a look, man. Quick look. I'm not gonna do too many charts today. Just want to focus a little bit on oh, I think I removed it. I want to focus a little bit on the current chart right now too.
Frank, you taking this 15?
No.
Because I heard you. No?
No, I was like, this one I would have wanted like bearish, but if it closed bullish, that's good. I just want a bottom break of the high, and then I'm in.
Oh, this tap was beautiful on your line. Very nice. Retest, then so to break the low. So yeah, pretty good, man. Looks very good. Nice chart. I like it. Very good chart. Look, this guy is trading the right pair. Euro is open. US dollar is closed. So the price is only getting influenced by one pair. You should know if you're trading. You should know. Doesn't make sense to trade something where markets they're closed or both markets are open. Both markets are open is just something you shouldn't do as well. I look, how do you trade when price reaches all-time highs? For example, when gold's reaching all-time high. I always just wait for a support to form. Like right here, it reached a high. It's not an all-time high, but it reached a high. And now I'm waiting for a support to form to continue moving up.
What's today?
I like Najim. Let's look at Najim's chart.
I sent one before when it was still going down.
Ooh, savage. He just jumps in and another one doesn't give a shit. You just get more than 100 pips.
That's a new secret. Shh.
Shh. My man. You're a savage. Real savage.
Yeah, I see what you did there.
I think everyone got that.
Are you guys looking for buys here or just above 328?
If this 30-minute close is bullish like that, I'm not fancy.
Yeah, me.
Yeah, because you are trading the high and you need some kind of pullback.
Yeah, and the way that it's just showing that the lack of bullish volume, the point. But if it closes bearish, that's better.
Wait, Najim, are you still in those gold cells?
Yeah.
I made that wick and now it's going back down.
Yeah.
As far as GJ goes, I think that the next push will be like the next 3 or 2 hours.
Go ahead, Najim.
I have stops at B on gold, so just wanna leave it run.
Good, right? Good.
Yeah. You're just gonna push now, like gonna say bye.
Ooh, 30 minutes
Bye,
come out to
have a
close
good
in
day.
10 seconds. If it's gonna close without a wick, I'm gonna laugh so hard. See that jinx it? Close without a wick. Shit.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Mine has a week, very small week.
Okay,
Same.
nice.
Yeah, I got.
Oh, it's a 50-50 whether it will go up or not.
Yeah, 50-50. It's the gambling thing right now. This show bearish rejection though, so
It's gonna destroy.
it did show some bearish rejection, so it should be alright.
As soon as we are above that weekly, for me, I mean, like I'm good. Like once we close below it, I'm getting out of the trade.
Yeah, exactly. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm waiting for that, but this is perfect for me, man. Close without a wick. I'm waiting for price to come down to 153.39 or 954, 152, 1954, and then create a support, and then. No, Leo, it's the truth. It is the truth. No wicks are dangerous, man. What I always see happening with no wicks is that this candle that's forming right now is gonna create a little wick up top and then come down. At least that's what I see happening a lot. I was gonna maybe make that top wick of what I see happening many times and maybe come back down. Yeah, man.
Are you sure? Look.
Yeah.
It's gonna destroy it, I'm telling you.
Let's see. Let's see. The good thing is that I already made a bottom wick before it went up, so I think it's gonna make this wick up and then it's gonna go down.
17 pips already if I had entered again.
This candle here tells me that the bulls have won, but it's weak.
Yeah, let's see.
Low volume.
Thing is, it closed with the wick.
Yeah, it's slowing down.
I mean, maybe it's gonna start ranging now.
I think I'm just gonna close this.
Why?
Maybe close half. I just want to go to sleep and they don't like holding trades 1/7. Oh,
got the high.
TP, full TP, 110 pips.
Sheesh. What's your TP on this one, Najib?
110 pips.
No, the one you just got in.
I didn't got in. I was just.
Oh, I thought you said you.
I was just a paper trade. No, I was like the example. What I said is gonna retest the weekly and push up.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
I was thinking to get in, but I said nah. I have a runner, so.
Now, Jim, you got in from all the way at the bottom. I think you're done for the week.
Sure,
How much percent did you make?
It was a small runner there, very small runner.
How much percent did you make in the gym?
I don't know. Can't tell you. I don't know.
Man's can't tell.
She's just like baby runner there, man. It's just 5 cents runner.
I was I'm not gonna say it. Damn. God damn. 200.
I've secured 90% of my position in the EU trend. 10% goes to break even.
Oh,
You're
okay.
savage, man.
No, I did it like what you said, Luke, and see how it goes.
You should be good now. There's 15 closed barrels. You broke the low, so.
You-
But the
you
only thing
do
is there's a support right here. There's a support right
Yeah,
here.
that's what I'm thinking.
But
yeah.
your target's gonna be this level right here. So just
No, I'm just targeting 400 certain.
400 is good.
Yeah, because the trend is up actually, so I don't like to trade against.
Yeah,
whole
but it
trades,
makes sense
not
if it
against
comes
the
down
trend, Yeah,
to this level.
yeah. Maybe I will try to hold it till there.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. And Najim, you are more savage than me. You are a legend.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
You hold trend for
trying to-
for very long, you know.
I have been like 1 year without like sleeping good, man. To the charts.
Oh shit! 1 year.
Yeah.
You guys want to know a fun fact? We're already streaming for 2 hours. Time is flying.
Yeah, time is flying.
Yeah.
Whew,
I don't know,
shit.
like last week on Thursday or Friday, I had a dream about having a live stream with you guys, Luke, and I just woke up.
A dream?
I lost a thread. Yeah.
Wait, what?
A dream to have a live stream
What?
with you guys.
Yo, Najim, you're already on 140 subscribers now, man. Yo,
Oh,
guys,
nice.
guys,
Thank you,
let
thank
me
you, guys.
put this thing in again. We
Yeah.
got 340 people watching now. I want to at least see this boy go up to 200. Press that thing, give him a subscribe. Come on, guys, it's Najim. He's been calling out 100 pip
Thank
trades
you,
day
thank
and
you,
day.
guys.
This is
He's
channel.
a legend.
He made a video yesterday, GBP JPY analysis, the 10th of May. Check it out, guys. Get him at least to 200 today, because this guy, trust, this guy brings value in. No joke.
Thank you, guys.
No joke.
Yep.
Get this man to 200. You know the vibe. We got 330 people in, so we should be able to make it, you know? We should be able to make it. Man, like in a gym. Cannot see his screen. It's right here, man. Right here. This is his channel. I think it should be good. 160. Push them numbers, guys. Push the numbers. 165. Yeah, I want to see this. I would just want to see it go down. No joke. On gold, it's in the middle of the range right now. Ooh. Sells on gold look pretty good too. If you if you close below her, I just want to see you close and then just take it and then start retesting this wick right here and maybe go even further down towards let's see, this level right here on the 30-minute. On the higher time frames, I'm trying to go to this level. Look, on the 4 hour. This is gonna be a good target too. I still think that daily is gonna flip maybe on gold. Reach that level right here. So we do still have a chance of some sells coming in for a retest.
Took a quick scalp on GJ.
Oh, nice. What you do?
7 pips.
Nice. You took the buy from the open. When it flipped.
On the 5 minute, I think, right?
It was on the 1 minute actually.
1 minute, man. Oh
yes.
shit.
Yeah, I went deep because the structure was bullish all the way long. Anyways, I think it will hit 10 pips either way, but it's Monday. It's the volume slowing down.
You got in right here at 287.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, 100%. Yeah,
I see you.
287. That's my entry.
Yeah, I know your things. Looks good.
Yeah, you know my drill. You know my
Yeah,
drill.
you know the vibe.
Yeah. So as soon as it started breaking the highs, I got in.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
So the spread was there. So my entry was 292. So yeah, I was
quick 7 pips is always good, man. Quick 7.
Oh yeah, I'm happy
good.
to be honest, but like it's pushing now, so I think you still got the probability of hitting those 10 pips. But
yeah,
I mean, couldn't be more happy to take those buys and be done for the Monday, because I literally missed the initial move.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, like I said, thank God for GJ going back to normal. You know, this is a nice clean.
That's what I said.
Push,
I think
range push.
Yep.
Sorry, Nick, I interrupted you like usual.
No, you're good. You're good.
Just like me, I interrupt everyone.
I don't know, guys, if you remember winter when we used to talk like in February, like that's what we used to see, right? Like Asian push high and then London continuation.
Yeah. Last year was the sauce though. Last year was the team.
I'm still traumatized from last year.
Really, why?
That market cycle that we're in now, and that we have to adapt. That's it.
That's the only thing. You have to adapt and then move with the market. Guys, you know Ethereum and MITV have in common. They're both 4K. Wow. Wow. Yeah, Ethereum is flying. I got a couple guys that are in there. They got big money in there. And they're just making profit over profit over profit.
I started live trading Forex like in the worst months possible, like really close to November last year.
Damn. Yeah.
Oh man, it was a bad experience.
For me, it went all good there. Last year was a very good year for me.
I only had my first month was profitable. Then November came in December, and I'm just like, oh shit.
Sheesh. February was the hardest month for me.
14K. Roger took 14K.
Man, calling numbers. Numbers. Don't forget to subscribe to the stream, guys. Trying to hit 300 today. 6,300. We're on 6,200 right now. We're about to get that 10K. We're close. We're over already at 60% now. 62%. So should be continue moving up. It's a trend. We already did a couple retests.
What do you reckon we'll move up to the by New York SE?
I think it's gonna just continue trending bullish today.
Yeah. I want to see some pullback for me to get in though right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the interval between New York, London and New York, because it's a kind of an aggro day today, considering how the daily gapped above. Yeah. It didn't even close, it just gapped above.
Yeah, I saw that too. Like, bang. It's like, ooh, what do you mean resistance? Let me jump over it real quick.
Yeah.
Like, that's the wrong number.
This could be funny if the 1 hour close is bearish.
Yeah, 100%. Is Luke trading full time? Yes, I am. That's why you see everyday live. Where would you buys be in GJ now? Right here between 39 and 954. That's where my level would be. Thanks, guys. Close all my trades and right before I trick myself into another one. Yeah, man. You took your profit. Just step out of it, you know.
Luke.
Yeah.
Thank you. EU is coming down. If not,
yeah, man.
and 10% is running nicely.
Yes, it should be good. You know, it should be
Yeah.
good for at least as 298. But I think
Yep.
on this level, are your stops at break even?
Yep.
How many pips are you running right now? Like 10 pips.
You mean just the 10%?
No, how many pips are you running right now? How much profit are you running right now? You can see it.
Let me see.
What's your entry? What's your entry? You can see it on the MetaTrader, right? Then it's gone.
498. Sorry, 498.
Oh yeah, then you're 12 pips running 12 pips deep. So
Yeah, but I just closed 90% earlier and just left 10% running now.
yeah, leave it running, leave it. Just leave it.
Yeah.
Should be good, man. I think
I'm battling my nerves to not close it because usually I would just close it when it hit my original OTP. Yeah.
I think it should be good. Be alright. Trust. And if that 10% hits your break-even trigger, it doesn't matter. I will say thanks so much to the crew. I really appreciate the knowledge. Soon I am going to help my people here from Kenya. Very nice, man. Good job. Look, remember this, the chart. Let's see this. Oh my god, I don't know what this is gonna be. Let's see. Or it's gonna be a meme, or it's gonna be something good. Okay, something good. Ooh, very nice. Here you see. Fake out. Yeah, I used to trade a lot of fake outs like that, and then just that fake out just like saying psych to the trend. Ooh. Yeesh. You're nearly about to hit that 200, man. 20 left, Najim.
Oh yeah, didn't
Yeah.
see it. Nice, nice.
On the numbers right here, we're destroying all the numbers. Gold is still in the middle of the side, inside that range, not doing a lot. Pretty much in a small 15-minute zone right here. In the middle of the range. Like exactly in the middle. Funny to see. What's GU doing? A bit like the same as GJ. You has some nice moves, man. But I heard from people that GU is really dangerous sometimes too, like in the way it moves. Right, Master P?
What was that?
GU is sometimes very fishy, right? Very
It's okay, but if you trade both GU and GJ or just 2 pound pairs, then it can get in your head because one of them might be giving a bullish confirmation, the other one a bearish confirmation, and,
Yeah.
and you're gonna, and if you're in like a buy on GJ but GU is going down, that's gonna affect your mentality.
Exactly.
You're gonna want to manage that GJ trade based off what GU is doing.
Oh boy. Very good. Look at EU pair, please. Yeah, we just looked at Euro USD. This is coming down. It might be reacting to this level, but you're expecting it maybe to come down to 300 flat. And if you're already in, like Dennis is, that's the point where you're going to be securing your profits. To be honest. The 100, yeah. February was very hard for me. It was the first month coming back after a 2.5 month break. Overall, it's pretty good.
Just a quick update on EU. I closed, I left 10% and I closed 50% of it again, and stop loss put it on like 445.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's
And if
running
it hits,
now
then it's okay.
41. No, give it a little bit more room, man. It's just 10%. Just give it that room. Put your stop loss at like 475. Your entry is 498, so put it at 475. You don't pay any commission and just let it go. It's a runner, you don't need to choke it.
Okay.
Like your entry is right here. You have a savage
Yes.
entry. So if you put it at 7.5, you give it at least 7 pips room for it to move further down. And if it doesn't, it doesn't, you know. There's going to be times where it pulls back exactly to that 450 level and you're going to be like, oh, it's out, and then it's going to go back down. And like, they're going to be like, oh, why did I move my stop loss of my runner? Well, didn't make sense. Like, moving them runner stop losses is like, if this 15 is going to create this bullish candle and the next one's going to break low and continue moving further down, it's going to close. Then you're going to be like, okay, now I'm going to put my stop loss runner above right here, and it's going to be 430.
Okay. What you said makes sense. I will just do that. Okay.
Yeah. So let's say you're like you took what's a good like a perfect breaking retest. Let's say you get in right here, right?
Okay.
And your stop loss is right here at 11.
Yep.
This is EU, so it doesn't make a lot of sense. But it goes up. This candle closes above. You're already at 10 pip profit. You put your stop loss at break even. And the next one starts going further up, closes above this resistance zone. Then you're going to move that stop loss towards the current low. That's going to be at 174. So your stop loss is going to run into profits. Now the next candle is going to go further up. Now you're going to wait maybe for a little support formed. This support formed. Maybe you put it just below here in the range, like 260. Support formed. Next candle closed above. Now you're going to put your stop loss right here at 359. Next one further up. Now you're going to say maybe put your stop loss at 480.
Okay.
And now it took it out here at 480, but that should be, if you just move your stop loss like that, like this, right? Or even on a higher time frame, like the 30-minute, you should be good. You catch a larger move up because you're still going into profit and you're securing the profits by moving the stop loss.
Yeah, I will just do what you said just now. Look, and see how it goes.
Yeah, perfect, man.
Actually, what you said really makes sense, because even if it goes back, I'm still in profits.
Yeah, so it's by doing those small steps of the stop loss, moving the stop loss to its current low. Every time you move that stop loss, you need to have in mind, like, oh yeah, I'm securing profits. So you need to remove that stress constantly, and that stress is being removed if you trail the stop loss constantly.
I think I will need to what's called rewind my mind to think like that, because now I'm thinking like, if it goes back and then hit my stop loss, I'm losing profits that I have now. But I need to rewind my mind to think like what you said.
Yeah, just see those current profits as it is what it is. It's a runner at the end of the day. So if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. The only thing you have to do is just hold tight. You know.
Yeah.
Plug in the seatbelt, and once you say, okay, this is a level, because the runners do need to make sense. So you're gonna look left. You're gonna say like, okay, this is gonna be, we're coming up to a strong zone like this. Like, let's say you got in on this high at 950. You had your stop loss right here. You trailed the stop loss. Your stop loss should be, below this candle right now at 100. And you come up to this important zone, 328. This level right here to the left, right here. That's gonna be a point where you're gonna be securing your runner. People are trying to let their runners run towards whatever the fuck you want to run it towards. Like they're gonna leave it to 155, but it doesn't make sense. You need to have those structured runners, like all structured. You need to know where you're gonna get out, because otherwise you're gonna be like, oh no, should I get out? Should I not? You need to be really on point, and everything has to be planned out already. So when I get into a trade, you also see on gold right here is that I have my first targets. My first targets is already going to be 10 pips, but on gold it's going to be a little bit bigger. And then I already have planned out where I'm going to take out my runners if I get in this trade. Just planning ahead so you can't make any faults with decision times, because sometimes in scalping your decision needs to be on point. You can't decide for 20 seconds long if you're going to sell or whatever, because in 20 seconds price can move a lot. So you need to make that split second decision by already having everything planned. So it's on point. You hit that target, boom, you're out, or boom, you do this, or boom, you do that, you know, and not have to think about what are you going to do whilst inside the trade because you didn't plan out before. That's what a lot of people, good traders, also say, is that plan out, because if you plan out, you don't have to wait for that, you know, for that time for making a choice.
Very solid advice. Very, very solid advice.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you have to train your mind to make split-second decision.
Yep, and that's
Yeah,
gonna help by already planning ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I personally feel, for me, like my plan is like, let's say I tell myself, if a candle closes above the zone, I'm gonna take buy, and that's that. Yeah.
Yeah, for me, everything is structured out. I have break-even triggers set. I have target set, 10 pip target set. I have my runner target set. Everything is already set, like full on point. It's on the chart. So for me, it's you know, that's what I see. Most people, they let everything run and then it just goes back down after hitting an important point, and that's where a point where you should have actually took profit. This is what Uncle Ted says a lot too, I think. Uncle Ted talks a lot about planning too.
Yeah, he talks about you got to know your zones, so when price goes there, you know which territory you're in.
Exactly.
Yeah, you have to have a plan before ever taking the trade.
Yep.
Because I know a lot of people who take the trade and they're just counting for the 10 pips and like, while not really noticing where price is actually trying to go.
Yeah, and you need to know how much range is there and where price might stop, where price might, you know, get certain issues or
you don't want to be the guy where price rejects and you're questioning what just happened, you know.
It's like you're standing in a boxing ring and you're just getting slammed around because you don't have a full-on plan on how to knock the guy out, you know.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's like you're going unprepared into a boxing fight and you're just getting slapped by this professional guy. But you gotta be professional in it and see how you're gonna, you know, take this guy out and what your plan is to do, like structured plan. I'm gonna go hard in the first round, second round I'm gonna slow it down a little bit, third round I'm gonna smack this guy on the ground, you know. You need to be ready.
Okay. Yeah.
It's like with everything. Everything needs to be planned out and structured. Most of all parts of where you're gonna go, you should be already planning where you're gonna head.
You should be Gucci.
With my life as well, I got an entire plan. People see it. People see if you looked on the live stream, there's 3 pages hanging on the wall behind me. You can't see it right now, but and you can't. I'm not showing people, but that's my entire plan on where I want to go. There's even one here to the left, which I'm touching right now, it's exactly telling my plans and where I want to head and what I want to do and what I need to be, where I need to be on my own level. So
yeah, you know what we're seeing behind you is a beautiful city. Look.
Yeah, man, New York.
Yeah.
We should actually have London because we're trading London session. But it's all Gucci.
1 hour is about to close above 4 hour resistance too.
Gold's looking pretty good, to be honest with you. Or maybe a small buy.
Don't say that.
Hey, look, be careful.
Don't say that.
Yes, I said maybe for a small buy, so I'm not gonna get in anything. I mean, the 1 hour close, 1 hour still against you, so if you're gonna buy anything.
Right, I love what I'm seeing on GJ right now. Just
straight,
clean push.
Are you still in the gold cell?
Oh yeah.
Legend.
Yeah, for me there's not
have
enough
break
range.
even, so yeah.
For me this is top of the range right here. Like this week maybe like 413, 412. But for me it's all I want to see a deep retrace first on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. Talking building wise. Like this. I want to see the same as this. Price made it top, come back down, continue moving further up.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna go now. Done for the day.
Perfect,
Yeah.
man. No problem, man. No problem.
Take care, Dennis.
See you guys. Take care. Take care.
Yeah, take care.
Alright, see ya.
What do you delete, Master?
Oh, I'm not sure. These guys, there's this guy talking some completely other language, and then this dude says, add this phone number, and I'm like,
Yeah. I'll just
press
do,
X
like,
to doubt.
delete this one for a second. Guys, just speak English in the chat, please. So everyone can understand.
Yeah.
Same with the Zooms, same thing.
They're speaking some whole other language over there.
Yeah. I'm not gonna speak my own language as well, right?
It's kind of Google Translate, crack their codes.
Ah, nice. What do you think about gold, Najim? I'm thinking it's maybe gonna go up.
Gold?
I think it made the.
Let me see.
Well, Master P.
The thing
I
that...
just my bad, guys. My bad.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Nick.
No, it's completely unrelated. I was actually looking at something and I wasn't paying attention to the chat. Go ahead, man.
No, I was going to say like gold broke the weekly zone in the daily and closed above, and that zone hasn't been touched yet by daily. So this daily could come down to retest that zone before going up again.
Oh, you mean like 1810?
You have a zone at 1828 457.
Oh, yeah, I see.
So based on what I have to the left, and as you can see, it made like a double top in the 1 hour.
Yeah, true.
And this previous 1 hour closed bearish, so this one could be fill that wick and continue going down.
Yeah, those guys speaking in a different language are kind of recruiting people into a group. He's like, "Ooh, join
Who is
us."
it? Yeah, just delete it.
I'm gonna block him.
Oh, it's a Methium Power or whatever. That guy.
Yeah, hide user from this channel, right? That's the one. This one.
Any advice before turning 18 and trading? Learn how to manage risk, get a job, make some money on the side, and just start trading on the side. Trading should be your hobby for now, right now. Then eventually it's gonna turn into something else, maybe, if you if you make sure. Oh no, that Weissicle guy, you can't. He's okay, but
He is?
yeah, but now I can't turn it back around anymore.
Yeah, I can. Unhide.
Yeah, he's okay, but yeah, this get them out the window.
You're
Luke, you getting in?
No.
Why?
Because it's not looking the way I want it to look. This 30-minute, I want to see a retrace first. It's not my thing.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. I don't mind. People
I mean,
it's like buckle
it's
up.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, if
This
you
is
look at
like
the
where
4
we
hour.
should be in from.
I mean, yeah, this is the point where you should be in from. Look at this. This is top zone right now, and I don't want to get my fingers burned because we're gonna buy the top of the zone right now. So,
Yes, sir.
if you look on the 4-hour time frame, look at this. Look at the entire move. There's no retrace. If you look in all the candles, this is the retrace on this candle. This is the retrace. There's no bottom wick on this retrace on this candle yet. So I want to see a candle go towards 35, 30, 153 flat. Create a support above 153 flat, and then continue up retesting the high. But that's probably gonna happen another day.
It's very high to buy now.
Yeah, it's buying high instead of
Very high.
I think if the next 4 hour might come back to 150-300, I think that's a really good level to buy.
I mean, you should be good if you want to take a small couple of pips towards the top of that level, towards like 414. But this is definitely not my game.
Yeah. I look at the 4 hour, same thing.
This is not my game.
I agree with you.
The candles are getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
So
The
might
volume,
close my runner too.
bullish momentum is dying down.
Yep. I think I should have just gotten in this 15-minute candle, but it is what it is, you know. Sometimes you don't see the exact things you want to see, and there's people in here like, oh, but why didn't you think this? Why didn't you think that? You just be patient, man. Be patient, and the patience gonna pay off. This week there's gonna be a move where I'm waiting for, and that move's gonna be fire.
Yeah, I'll probably see if in New York we can get that perfect retest of the high. But,
Yeah.
That might be a trade for me. But shit, what do I want to say? Oh yeah, like when the 30-minute broke that bearish high, I think that was the entry. I think for me personally, I was overthinking the range, because I was looking at like the 30-minute resistances, kind of 15-minute resistances, but on the 4 hour, it was just clean traffic. And we see the candles. I see that like the candles before that bearish 30-minute, it was like, you know, a pretty high volume candle. There was a 20 pip candle. So at that point, you could say, okay, there's a lot of volume in the market to drive past those 30 minutes and 15 minutes resistances and respect like the clean traffic on the 4 hour.
Yes.
Master, I'm agreeing with you.
See, that's what I said.
Of...
Buying high right here. I'm not in this game thing, you know. This is dangerous shit right there.
Master, when the 15-minute candle closed bullish, I think that was the complete. To be honest, I'm not gonna cloud it. I tried to press the buy, but my internet went off. So my service on my MT5 was just lagging, and it was like no service, and I was like, shoot, man, really? So I missed that trade, but it is what it is.
Yeah, this.
But that's my kind of thing of trade, you know, just breaking the highs and the lows, and we have a huge momentum.
Yeah, I was being very strict here because I have these 5 checklists that I need to match. And lately, towards the end of April, I've been getting a little bit sloppy in terms of that. And they see a lot of the trades I took are like score really low. So that's why I'm going to try to just stick to make sure that all my trades meet the criteria beforehand.
Maybe at least 3 or 4 points.
Yeah, exactly. I aim to get 4 points. But yeah, here I just overlooked the range.
Because I mean, if we were looking at the 4 hour level, I think, yeah, obviously it's kind of a bit tricky, sort of in terms that we coming into the new 4 hour candle range, sort of thing. If we're looking on a 4 hour on that 30-minute, but it just made sense from the market structure to just buy above, because 15-minute candle closed above all those resistances.
Yeah, indeed.
It did close, right? Because we made the initial push at 6 o'clock. Obviously, since the new 4 hour candle opened, it closed above that 152.760. So we made the sense, right, to go up.
Indeed. And it had like, what, 15 pip body? So that's pretty good indication of the lot of volume being in the market. And that can break past those minor 30 minutes.
Yeah, 100%. But it's a learning curve, right? Next time, you know, you'll take it. So same for me. That's what I said. I was like, next time, definitely, I will like smash that internet, you know, so I can take that trade.
You'll smash the internet provider.
Yeah.
Overload them.
Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna sell the retracement?
Not me. My buy is still bullish, so I'm waiting for a support to form.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
next
man.
candle.
When Luke is feeling the music almost. Yeah. It's Monday morning. Let's go. Ingrid. Yes, we got Ingrid in. You know it.
Ooh, Ingrid.
I want to cry. Yeah, you won the magic keys. Get in contact. Send me a message on Instagram, and send me the chart you sent. Well, I got the chart you sent, and I got your name and all stuff, but as I don't have any other information. So you need to send me a message on Instagram, and I know a lot of people are going to be like, I'm doing the same thing and doing that. They are.
Provide a screenshot of your username on YouTube.
Yes, and a screenshot of the username of your Tradingview. And then just send me a message on Instagram, and then we're gonna order it for you, man. For you, woman. It's not a man.
Have her send a TradingView chart, and you can double check the name.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know
Customer support.
Yeah, Ingrid is the winner. It's crazy. I actually jinxed it so hard by saying someone else was the winner for myself.
Oh really?
I fucked it up. Yeah, I fucked it up real bad. This man, yeah, I don't know what's his name again. I have a picture of it. I'll figure out something for him if he sends me a message too. But I said there was two names, and the winner and what was the other thing? This substitute. And I was calling the substitute a winner.
I was cringing.
I was like, oh shit, what the fuck is going on here? When I saw someone send me a message, and I'm like, oh shit, the wrong one. So I'll make sure he gets something to there. He's not walking out there without anything. But he needs to send me a message. I got nothing of him. No Instagram, no way to message him. So he needs to send me a message, and then we can make everything possible. Yeah. Let's see what this 15 is gonna do. I'm gonna close below here. I might stay otherwise. Duani, I'm new here, getting informed. Thank you, no problem. Welcome. Yeah, 30 is about to close pretty strong. Should be good to come down. The only thing is that probably inside this London session, there's not gonna be that retrace with the support being formed. That's gonna be based on maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes before you see that fully happening, you know. Based on gold still at the same position, I think gold might move back up to the top of the range if this high is going to get broken at the 15-minute 135.80. Right here, 80. Yeah. Probably going to be a no trade day. Maybe. Chart from Nick. Let's see. Markup for GJ. Nearly destroyed my entire keyboard yesterday. Got like 500 milliliters of water over the keyboard. Price starts to respect the trend line. I was look for buys. Okay. Yeah, makes sense, man.
Yeah, I've lost the keyboard from spilling orange juice, so for it.
Orange juice? What? Orange juice? Oh yeah. I was fast enough. I turned it around straight away, ran to get a towel. But like nearly the entire bottle went over the keyboard, like no joke. like a swimming pool. Do you ever trade based on the 5-minute time frame? Look, yeah, on gold. I think gold's gonna go up to its 39.1. Chart. I think if it's gonna break that high, maybe it's gonna go up, but I don't know if I want to be inside this range. I mean, if you look at a 5-minute, you want at least a 5-minute close below 60 or 91, and mirror this move up to here to the left. If you look on a 1 hour time frame, that's going to be the break of the 1 hour, but then you have this zone right at 36.50. You're going to ignore that though, because the price went through it twice without showing any hard moves in it, but I think it might go back up again. CBR, Amit, let's take a look at your chart after this 50-minute candle closes in 13 seconds. Yeah, perfect. No more trades for today though. Very good, Nick. Yeah, you do want to see a 15 close above this level, 135.60 right here.
Let me ask you guys your opinion, right? Let's say you're to take a single order trade, like let's say a buy.
Yeah.
And you close partials for 15 pips and your runner keeps going. Do you add the 15 plus the runner, or you just like add the total of that one order?
Oh, I'll just look at what I hit at the end of the day. Like, okay, my full position, most of my position hit 15, but if my runner hits 30, it's gonna be a 30 pip trade, even though, yeah, combined, it's maybe gonna be like 22 point something or 20 or whatever. But in my opinion, if you just take a trade and you have structured runners, so not just random shit, but if you have structured runners like I do, like if I take a buy above here, it's going to be my first target and my second target's going to be right here, and if I hit this target, that's going to be based on all the pips I took.
Right, okay. Yeah, I thought so.
Like some people look at the initial, like the entire pips they take on a position itself, but I think runner base, you can just count it. I don't think there's a problem with that.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing something like I seen the guy controller did like a really nice recap for the month. But yeah, I wasn't sure how people did it, if they like counted their partials plus total or just like total only.
I just do total.
Yeah, that makes more sense to do it that way.
Sometimes I don't do total, sometimes I do total, but most of the time I do total. Because the trade is running that direction and running the way you want it to run, so. Yeah, I think GJ is gonna range for now until New York. Gold, delicate situation. You could take buys up from 84, but then you got a couple wicks here to the left. You're expecting this move to happen again, but I don't know yet. Bit of a delicate situation. But I think it could continue moving up if this starts closing bullish again. Bicycle, what do you think about this gold idea? Yeah.
This 30-minute candle. Sorry, this 30-minute candle on the GJ broke the high and the low, just literally in 15 minutes.
Bull's about to break up.
You getting in?
I don't know yet. Maybe a little waiting for that 5 minute.
Just wait for the 5 minute maybe to close above that zone.
Yeah, I want to see the list close above 90.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a delicate situation as well, because it could still show bearish momentum, you know. It's just a bit delicate. Because it already went up to that level. Even though candles are closing bullish now. Oh, there you go, yeah. Moved already. Is what it is.
Maybe wait for the retracement because the new 5 minute is just gonna open up.
Yeah, let's see.
Might be interesting.
I don't have to be in anything. It's already at the end of my session, so don't force anything.
It's gonna be a good paper trade, but I'm gonna wait to see if I can catch that retest of the high in New York today.
Yeah, makes sense.
It's gonna be my trade.
I think if you're in, you should have been in at the break of, 90. You've been running 7 pips now. Didn't want to wait for the close. 5 minute just close. Yeah, I think it's gonna go off. I think it's gonna go up all the way there. Will be a good situation. Maybe if it retests, I'm gonna get in. Perfect, Ingrid. I'll look at it at the end of the session. I was about the Brexit thing, but I don't know. No, it's not. It's the end of my session. Don't want to jinx myself. Don't want to force it.
Yeah,
So
range
happy,
is
guys.
not all too big for gold.
Perfect, Ingrid. Perfect. Yeah, I don't know about gold. Yeah, the range is good enough for me, to be honest, but it's just delicate situation, man. Delicate. Might come down back to 36 flat and then continue moving back up. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
I was just typing choo-choo, Ingrid, choo-choo. It's like our little term.
Choo-choo. Yeah. The thing is, we're inside the middle of a range, so do you want to really take a buy inside the middle of that range? I mean, target's going to be 20 pips from the high. From the low, it would have been, let's say I got in from 80, would have been around 30. That would have been enough, but it's delicate, man. It's delicate. The thing is, not moving straight away, so. Yeah.
The 5 minute chart has been coming down from that zone before. Exact zone. Go to the left. See.
Yeah. Exactly.
So
Here.
just be careful.
Here.
Yeah. price was above, now came back below that zone, maybe retesting to something down. I don't know. Gold is weird at this time.
Yeah. Delicate, man. Delicate. GJ is ranging right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the stream, guys. All free education. Just a small way of saying that you like it. Let's get it to 300 likes. We got more than 300 people in. We got 38 people in the Zoom as well. So we should be able to get those other 40 likes in. Press the thing. On gold, if I would have entered on 80, I would have had my stop loss at 135, around that 134.90. But it's a bit of a delicate situation. Really, really delicate. Maybe if 5 minute creates a support above 85 and closes above 80, then I will take it.
There's a new word for delicate now. It's a predicament.
It is what it is.
Yeah, we moving.
This might be the retest on the 5 minute on gold if we go back up. The thing is, the only thing you gotta ask yourself is, do you want to be inside this range? And I'm 50-50 on it, you know, to be honest with you. I'm 50-50. One side I'm like, might want to be in. The other side I'm like, nah. End of my session, not like a big range like Masterpiece said. Like, let's say you get in based on the high right here, 136.80. It's just gonna be like a, you know, if you read it to the tops here, 15, 18, 20, and gold went a little bit bigger, 30, 20, 30 bips. I would like to see.
Yeah, and honestly, from what I've seen on gold, if it's ranging at the beginning of London session, chances are like 70-60% chance it's not going to break out until New York.
5 minute broke the low. That's already calling me no trade for now. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I didn't start liking it the way it started to go. Ooh, we're like 9 likes away from 300 likes. Damn, you guys pushed it like 30 likes when I said that. Get it up to 300, guys. 8 left. Press the numbers. 302. Oh damn! Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's put that horn on right real quick.
Another Magic Key giveaway.
Oh shit! Yeah, there's one right now. So
yeah, true.
This week I'm gonna be giving away another one. Nice. Yeah, volume is dying a little bit. I think pretty delicate. Or what did you say again?
Predicament.
Predicament.
Yeah.
Which country are you in, Luke? Take a guess. Take a guess, man. Like Stanley. Take a guess. Where do you think I'm from? It's a good question, man. Very good question.
He's clearly in New York.
Yeah, man's in New York City. The background, that would be like a $200 million apartment. 10K on subs this month. Oh man, that would be insane. I don't know if we're gonna get that thing this month.
Easy.
Easy? You think it's
easy?
Okay.
Like...
Okay.
We have a buy stop at 10K.
Okay. Oh really? Damn.
Yeah,
damn. America, Canada, London.
Zone B16 on Mars.
From Kepler 25b. Second Earth that got found or something. If you really want to force them gold buys, you could maybe take it once it breaks 1836.80, and then have like a 10 pip target for real quick. Yeah, just broke. If you want to force this trade, then you just really want to get in, this is a good opportunity right now. Based on the 1 minute, it's a very nice structure. But for me, it's no game. No game. Prefer to be outside.
Have you seen somebody drop the monthly chart in the Slack group? Looks like we could get to 156 once we clear all these resistances.
Really?
Yeah, exactly.
On the monthly, the next stop is 156.
She.
Yes, sir. Osteoman is taking cells up until 150.
He got cell stops right there.
That is take profit for cells.
I don't understand what's going on with this guy, man. I don't know.
Counter trend trader.
Yeah, but that's the same with the profits, I think. He's aiming for losses.
Yeah.
He's
Stop losses, take profit.
Stop losses, take profit. Wow. Yeah, it's I think first target for GJ is still going to be that 154, 900, 155 before we're going to go up to 156 though. 11 seconds for the 30-minute close on this candle on GJ, and it's probably going to close bearish right here. First bearish candle here in this zone. There you go. 30-minute close bearish on GJ. 5-minute closed above on gold. I think if you really want to take those gold buys, you should be good if it starts flipping now. Yeah, I think it should be good. Be careful though, be careful. I'm not in anything. I'm in nothing. Staying up. Yeah, you should be good on gold. If it's going to break that 137.22, you're going to go up towards 138.30. It's going to be 10 pips at least for you. And that's the level where you want to be at break even. And you want to take like 75% or 80% off your trade. Yeah, price is already moving big time before. I think in New York you're gonna see the break and retest on GJ. So you're gonna see price coming down, create a support to retest this high right here. So that's I think this New York session is gonna be very good. It's gonna retest, retrace now, grab volume, grab out the orders that are in here, and then shoo, sheesh, come back up. It's funny, always at the end of the session, the most people are in the stream. Ooh.
Will you stay to New York or you got other plans?
Maybe gonna stay for another couple of minutes, 15, 20, 30 minutes, and then.
You trade New York?
No. I don't trade New York.
It's London, right?
Okay. Yeah, just London. People are awake now, yeah. People are waking up for the New York session right now. Yeah, for what I said before, for the people that are coming in right now, I think you're gonna see a very nice break and retest, or break down, retest this level, and then it's gonna create a support, and then retest this level here to the top. It's gonna be very good buys, I think, that are gonna be playing out. Oh, now you should, if you're in this gold trade, I think you should be managing positions because it just rejected, just got up and started coming back down. There's a point on gold where you need to be very careful with if you start breaking a high and starts coming back down, and the candle starts flipping again and breaking its own low. You should be looking out or closing at least 50%, 75%. At the end of the day, I think gold's still going to move up to 39, but it's going to be with some issues. You're inside this range too, and that's why I had like a 50-50 chance of me getting in, because on one side I was like, yeah, it looks good to retest this high, and the other side it was like, yeah, we're still inside this range, so what's the probability of rejection or anything like that? That was pretty high, so I'm really being careful on this one, to be honest with you. And if you're inside here already, you should already be in break even if you're in at like 135.80. Yo, Master P.
Yeah.
Gonna go to the beach today.
Who? Me? You?
Yeah. You?
Me? No, there's no beach. You're going
Oh,
mountains.
Oh, you got mountains. Okay, nice. They're pretty
I'll
nice.
show you them views.
Can you just
True.
start driving or whatever? Can you just grab the car and just go driving or what?
Sort of, yeah.
Or is your father gonna smack you?
Oh no, not the Julia, no. There's like this other Opel. I can take that one.
But the Julia, no.
No driving without supervision.
Oh, you drove it before
I
though?
can try. Yeah, I've driven it before, but
He's
just whip it out.
He's speeding. Man's driving like 200.
Mhm.
Does he always do that?
Yeah, more or less. He doesn't take it out that often. But here in Italy, everything is up to your own interpretation. Like if you've got a here in Italy, like everything, especially the areas I come from, where I live, it's like everything is up to your own interpretation. So like if you've got a nice car and you're speeding, the police, like we've been stopped over once, so the police can take photos and just chit chat. Like, oh,
Okay
nice.
then. You're just flying by. The policeman driving next to you and shoot.
They just check your documents, chit chat a little bit, and move on.
Bungong Stanley, this is the fastest growing trading stream on YouTube. Congrats, Luke. Yeah, thank you, man. We're flying. Biggest London session already in such a short amount of time. There's no one bigger than us. There's no one growing as fast as us. It's crazy. Soon with the community, it's going to be a lot more fun. We're keeping on growing. I think what Master P said, there is a possibility that we might hit 10k subscribers this month. Or at least next month. At least next month we're going to hit that. If you guys keep subscribing and keep thinking it's so good, you know. Yeah, but we're flying. We're absolutely flying right now. Like, the afterburners are on, we're just passing everyone, you know. And they're not coming off, trust. Even if we're overeating, we're just pushing more numbers. No time to overheat. How would you manage gold? I already said that in the beginning. Once price came up here and started rejecting, going back down, started flipping, I would have closed 50% straight away an entry. And then once it started breaking its own low, I would have already probably been out. And now when it closed bearish, that would have been your point where you was like, okay, this is the end. No time for me to be in this trade. So explained it live. So if you listened, you could have ended up with a very small loss if you took that trade. And if you took it from here, from 85, which I called out too, you should have been at like how many pips? Yeah, 15, 14 pips. Well, on GJ, this is just garbage. I think on GJ you want to wait for what I said before, New York, wait for that retracement down towards 950 or 820 or 777, and then retest this high right here at 400, 153, 400. That's going to be a perfect situation. But yeah, so it's just a waiting game for you guys right now. It's just all a waiting game. But I think I'm calling this one a stream. I think I'm gonna call it and get off. Been here for 3 hours now, 3 hours and 5 minutes. Been streaming for 3 hours and 5 minutes, so I think that's good enough. I hope you guys don't over leverage. I hope you guys don't start over trading. For the people that are, inside the London session and already took a couple trades, just call it a day. It's a Monday. You don't want to go too ham on a Monday. Start your day out, start the entire week off with a good, some good profits or zero profits. Even if you didn't take a trade today, don't worry, you're 100% on the winning side, trust. So Oh, there's someone, Max. Hey, Luke, I've been watching the stream for you. I love what you're doing. Keep it up. You spoke about Bonfire a while back, and I bought it. Great shout. Just wanted to know where you grab your crypto info before they hype. Yeah, that's classified, man. Classified. I just subscribed. No, low. What time do you trade? How many trades do you take? Well, it's all set 6:30 GMT. We start this the stream. I think it's now +1 or whatever. It's just London time. Every single day is the same time. So, you know, thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll tell you later, Max. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Cheers, Luke.
You know the
Thank you,
vibe.
Luke.
Take care, Gulag.